Seat has lordship this.
Just
I'm sorry.
page 14.
14. 1-4.
Yes.
Seat lordship, the complaint, the application is before the seat lordship. Seat has called lordship and 13 days lordship, they compelled to sit from 11 to 5. Therefore, we have approached the Honorable Sessions Court.
Yes.
Probably I have for a circulation of regular bail on 7th or 7th of July. It is filed on 23rd.
23rd
May. The request is to kindly for 7th, but for 2-3 days I am not.
offense under section.
Pardon.
Offense under section
420, 406, 420, and all the co-accused are also been released. 7th.
May I have the liberty, my lords. Requesting for circulation of one regular bail. The bail is filed on 27th of April and it is before charge sheet, my lords. Offense is 304 of IPC. May I request some 9th, please. And one another request for circulation of one criminal appeal wherein the accused has been he has been arrested, he has been convicted and he has been arrested under POSCO Act. In fact, the boy and the victim have married in year 2020, but still he has been convicted. Therefore, requesting for circulation of one criminal appeal tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Because they both are married. They both are married in 2020.
in routine course. Sorry, sir.
Please.
Lordship, circulation of 2 regular bail application for tomorrow. Lord, I'll tell you, Lordship, urgency. I have already filed on 19. Lord, the boy aged are 19 and 20 years are sought to be roped in. Wherein, Lord,
You have filed on 19,
I have filed on 19. Lord,
automatically listed in routine.
Lord it is not coming. Therefore, Lord, I'm making a request.
All are within 2 days.
Lord, can I request for tomorrow, Lord?
Nothing is pending. All are listed.
In fact, Lord, the applications are filed on the last day of.
All are listed, sir.
Therefore, Lord, bail application which I filed.
All are listed. Nothing is pending.
Lord, on the contrary, Lord, there are 6.
If it is filed during the vacation.
I have already filed. It is been given a number also. Lord.
In routine.
Lord, can I? Lord, I would not have bothered a Lordship. Lord, it is only because the boy.
Fix the dates. Registered fix the date. We have managed our board also.
Lord, if it is
Today 125 meters.
my lords, Lord, if it is not coming, Lord, can I request? Can I again mention, Lord?
I don't want to simply adjourn the matters.
Well, ultimately, Lord, what will happen? Ultimately, Lord, even if it is
Purpose
comes.
would not serve. Suppose I reach the 200 meters, what would be purpose?
Oh, my Lord, unfortunately, in
Simply,
Lord, earlier weeks, the regular bills are not being listed. Therefore, a request is being made to your lordships, Lord.
Routinely, it is listed in routine within 2 days.
It has been filed on 19, Lord. Till date, it has not come. Therefore, I'm making a request to your lordship.
Yesterday, I have instructed registry.
My lord.
All are listed.
Very well.
All are listed.
I'll pursue the registry, Lord.
By Friday.
I'll pursue the registry.
Please, Lordship, I am requesting urgent circulation of 2 parole matters on day after tomorrow. Urgency is that in one matter, long incarceration, and in both matter, long incarceration, they have completed more than 20 years. In one matter, there is a marriage, and second matter is Lordship.
When marriage is scheduled?
Marriage is scheduled on the 5th. 5th થી ચાલુ થાય છે એટલે 5th to 10 Lordship. And in
second,
please, and second matter, Lordship, it is death of the near relatives, Lordship, recently death.
2 months.
And day after 2 months. And 2 other matters is, Lordship, temporary bail on ground of the marriage for the Taruna Makwara, Lordship. Temporary bail for marriage of relatives.
When?
That Lordship, I have.
Sorry.
And third matter is for, and another matter is for.
Only 2, no 3.
Lordship,
sorry, please.
Mehul Vakharia, Lordship, regular bail for Mehul Vakharia side. His offense under 324, 325, Lordship. And
already filed?
Already filed.
Yes, listed automatically.
And
My lord, permission matter. Speaking on circulation for anticipatory bail, the applicant is a 50% paralytic. And only difficulty is FIR will be dispensed. It has already been filed, but FIR copy is not filed. Therefore, I'm seeking sir.
FIR is available, sir. Even online is also available.
The difficulty is he is 50% paralytic, and therefore I'm seeking circulation. And
my lord, may I request?
Online is available, sir. Yes.
may I request?
You may easily collect. Even from the court also itself.
FIR is in
Your clerk may get collected. Yes.
My lord, that is the reason. That is the reason.
19, sorry.
My lord, I'm requesting for the urgent circulation for temporary bail, my lord, on basis of the applicant's wife operation advised on 2nd June. By tomorrow, my lord. and give the dispense with the production report and bail order, lower court bail order, my lord. Certified copy of.
You have annexed the copy,
Yes, I have annexed, my lord.
attested copy.
Attested copy, my lord. Much
May
obliged.
I have a liberty, my lords? May I have a liberty? I'm requesting for circulation of one regular bail application before charge sheet, my lords. It's under Land Grabbing Act. May I request for Friday for second, my lords? It's before charge sheet, my lords. That's the only urgency. Or on fifth, my lords. For fifth, my lord, it's before charge sheet. Always it may get infructuous. No, I was being arrested,
No difficulty. After charge sheet also you may.
but I am a government officer, my lords, class 3 officer, my lords. Therefore, there is an urgency. There is no case, no allegation, no role is been attributed. Therefore, my lords,
Sorry.
may I request for second or fifth, my lords?
May restoration the regular bail application. So all objections were cleared, but one
20.
May I request, I'm requesting for urgent circulation of special criminal application for directions for termination of pregnancy on tomorrow. The urgency is this wise that on 25th of May, the victim was. May.
Yes, for a two urgent circulation of regular bail, I have filed on 15th May. On Monday,
In routine, I just routine.
or it can be given on Monday, those are only 2 days left.
You may mention or automatically get action. Already listed.
One more circulation where the order date is on 15th April. As per the rule, also it may not circulate, but
Which is filed during the vacation and yes.
requesting for urgent circulation for temporary bail. Petitioner mother angiography surgery.
When scheduled?
Because
When it is scheduled?
after 2 months,
After
2 days also. One another lawsuit, daily board serial number 28 also. Requesting for national. What number? 28.
next.
Next week also.
Next.
Please, I don't.
Lordship, may I mention?
Yes.
Lordship, I'm requesting for temporary bail urgent circulation. As his grandmother is expired on 24th of May. Your Lordship, I'm requested for dispense with certificate copy and type copy. May I mention?
Two more.
May I mention words, serial number 30 in the daily book mentioning on behalf of Mr. Prajapati, requesting for next week. So may I mention? Urgent circulation of Lordship, urgent circulation of one regular being by the Lordship under section 326, and the boy is 20-year-old Lordship. He is student and his exam is near Lordship, and
When? Examination.
in June Lordship, and he is behind bars since February Lordship, and the lower court order is 20 April Lordship. Lordship, kindly kept it on first week of June Lordship. Please, Lordship. And other is, Lordship, circulation of one anti-bail matter, Lordship. There is the 35 copies of lower court may dispense with, Lordship.
No urgency, I mean, anti-bail.
Lordship,
Sorry, no, not in all cases.
Lordship, already dispensed,
No,
Lordship.
no urgency, like in anti-bail, no.
Is your lordship urgent circulation for regular
Also, Lordship.
for regular bail, urgent circulation. It's a prohibition. Tomorrow, yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Requesting for circulation of temporary bail on the reason of marriage. The marriage starts from 4th June.
Second.
May I mention, Lordship? Urgent circulation for regular bail offense under the Money Lending Act. Even I'm possessing a valid license, my name is implicated. It is before charge sheet, therefore may I request for some.
19.
One more urgent circulation for the regular bill before charge sheet. There is a law affair POCSO offense and the boy is a 19-year-old is in jail, Lordship.
With your lordship's kind permission, I am requesting for circulation of one matter. There is conviction under 138 for 6 months. My lord, the matter is amicably settled. On merits also, I have a good case before the honorable court. So therefore, I am challenging that order of 138 of conviction.
Convicted by session judge. Convicted by trial judge, confirmed by session judge.
Lordships.
And
But now the matter is also settled because the financial views are cleared.
okay.
Lordship, may I mention? Urgent circulation. Yes. Urgent circulation for extension of temporary bail. Lordship, for tomorrow I am seeking on the ground of the present petitioner is suffering from the cancer, Lordship, and biopsy has been took place. So
Urgent circulation temporary bail, my lord. Urgent sheet, my real brother expired, my lord, 20 May, my lord. So requesting tomorrow, my lord. And session court is pending the temporary bail, my lord. But next date, my lord, 1st June, my lord. My requesting session court order dispense, can I dispense with?
72 parallel proceedings, ma'am.
My lord, but real brother expired. And
Sorry, go before the
first
session.
my lord.
No, go before the session.
My lord,
Either
first,
you withdraw or go before the session.
my lord.
No, not
Not
permissible. No, sorry.
I have filed regular bill application. I have filed regular bill application under 407/411. In this matter, Lordship, the petitioner is suffering from severe spinal injury, Lordship, and he has been referred to civil hospital Surat when he is in jail, Lordship. My request only is that it may be circulated on the ground of medical, Lordship. I have filed it on 19th of this month, Lordship. 19th of April, May itself. And the order of the rejection is of the 10th, 5th or
routine listed.
Serial number 99.
Listed.
Serial number 99, my lord.
All are listed, which is filed during the vacation.
Serial number 99, my lord.
Circulation of two matters. This is consent causing. In one matter, accused are already in jail. So,
My lord, serial number 99. Serial number 99. Akshitaba. May I mention in behalf of Akshitaba Solanki? They are requesting permit me to withdraw, my lord.
Serial number
99.
Seek permission to stand is
the serial number 7 of the daily report, Lordship.
Serial number
7. Serial number 7 of the daily report. On the Mr. Salim Sayyed, I am requesting that I may be permitted to withdraw since here charge sheet is filed. Therefore, with the liberty to approach the learned lower court, I may be permitted to withdraw.
Serial number 7. Salim Sayyed.
M. Sayyed.
You are?
I am R.D. Jadhav.
R.D. Jadhav. Mr. Salim. With liberty to file a fresh?
After charge. Because charge is filed.
Liberty to file a fresh after filing a charge.
I am okay.
Yeah, one temporary bill on the ground of medical treatment upon Lordship.
So, 7.
May I make one request? MTP was circulation for regular bail, my lord. It was the date of arrest was, my lord, the 4th April, my lord. The my lord, charge sheet, 4th April, my lord. The offense of my lord 363, 360 POCSO, my lord. Here the my lord charge sheet would be filed.
4th April, I have nothing.
Sorry. No, date of arrest is 4th April, my lord.
When
charge sheet would be filed, my lord, in the 4th, my lord.
Filed when you have filed?
Filed in my lord during vacation, my lord.
Listed automatically get listed.
And
all routine.
Yes,
within 2 or 3 days, all matters. Yes.
May I make another request? I am requesting circulation of the parole leave, my lord, on the ground of the marriage of the my lord niece, my lord. The marriage was, my lord, started from the 2nd, my lord, and I am in the jail, my lord, since more than 17 years, my lord.
Then last time granted.
Last time was granted in the my lord month of April.
Sorry, may I mention?
May I mention? May I request for circulation of two quashing petition? The dispute is matrimonial dispute. Lordship, tomorrow, day after, if it's possible. 5th. Lordship, 5th then.
Body is very yummy.
What is requesting for urgent circulation of consent quashing matter? Offense is under 323, 324, my lords.
23rd. Yes.
Lordship.
23rd.
Lordship, may I mention an application, bail application, in which we have already filed a preponement application. The matter is adjourned for the 22nd of June. The Lordship, urgency is this wise that we are behind the bar since January. Co-accused has been granted.
For the regular court, sorry.
Lordship, the co-accused has been granted.
Regular court, sorry. Yes.
I'm requesting for an urgent circulation of one quashing petition under 138. Next date before the trial court is on Monday, and the urgency being, my daughter is suffering from heart ailment, and I have to go for a treatment. And the trial court is insisting my presence before the learned court, my lord. The urgency is, my liability was of ₹10 lakhs. The
205 is there, even alternative remedies are also available. No, this is not a ground for urgent circulation. Sorry, sir. No.
There is no legal.
205 is also there. You may submit an application.
But my lords, the learned
exemption application.
It has been rejected, my lords, by the learned trial.
Even remedy is with you. What we have to do?
But my lords,
remedy is there, not straight away.
but my lords, it is not a legal debt, my lords.
Sorry, sir. This all question of the evidence.
My lords, legal debt comes up on the prima facie.
Question of trial, sir. Sorry. Next.
Yes. Circulation of payroll leave on the ground of applicant's wife's estimated date of delivery is applicant's wife is having 9th-month pregnancy and her estimated date of delivery.
Last time when you released?
Last time released in the month of April, but at present applicant's wife estimated date of delivery is 5th June. Therefore,
in routine listed.
Requesting for some urgent circulation regular bail before filing of the charge sheet. Now the matter is filed on 10th May and the offense is my lord
vacation.
Two temporary bail, my lord, one urgent circulation for anticipatory bail for the Prohibition of Offences Act.
So no. Anti-bail, no urgency.
May having one matter for tomorrow, my lord, widow mothers, my lord, angiography is to be performed. And then after
yesterday it was there, 3rd June.
And one more request regarding the hysterectomy surgery.
3rd June वाली नहोती है angioplasty. आमनी जाता.
And my lord, one more request regarding.
You verified the police.
One verification report is there. Yes.
Angiography matters.
एक से बावी. We have 4 minutes. I will be here.
Yes.
So my lord, one for angiography of widow mothers, my lord, tomorrow, my lord, and one circulation for Friday. Due to my lord wife's hysterectomy surgery is to be performed on
is not emergency. No.
Saturday.
It's a common report and only the report for inspection. There is no necessity of test.
Wife's hysterectomy.
No, not necessary.
It is
in Daying's house, numbers of tests being done and performed by the gynecologist. No. Even today itself, 2 matters are like this. Simple stereotype report. If is needed. What is if it needed?
Trial court.
No, sorry. This is a unfair practice, ma'am. Sorry.
One, my lord, one for tomorrow that I have been given, my lord.
Angiography is okay.
That I have been.
Second is not
request that
angiography बराबर के लिए.
Achip small
angiography में करिए. Next one है.
Achip small request that it can be kept on Thursday or Friday, my lords. That consent washing matter, my lords. So what my lords, the urgency is that police has twice came to my house and the petitioners are 18 to 21 years old, my lords. They are going to appear before the exam. He has already been final selection for the 323, 324, my lords. 15th on I have filed that matter on 15th, my lords, and offense was registered on 10th May. On the very next day, my lords, compromise arrived, my lords. Therefore, my lords, I am requesting it may not be that they may be arrested, my lords, and it may be a stigma to their life, my lords, in that case. Therefore, otherwise, I would not request it, my lords.
No mechanical arrest, sir.
My lords, twice police has came to my house, my lords. Therefore, I am requesting.
Ask for notice.
My lords,
protection is already safeguarded there.
My lords, it's non-bailable offense. Therefore, my lords, I am requesting.
In non-bailable offense, question of arrest doesn't arise, sir.
But my lords,
question doesn't arise to arrest, sir. Next.
Lordship, I am requesting urgent circulation for suspension of sentence, Lordship. One suspension of sentence, Lordship. The order dated 6th of. I am 6th of May, Lordship. 6th May, Lordship, and I am suspended for 30 days, Lordship. That's why.
That's my liberty to mention, Lordship. The one payroll PT already filed yesterday, Lordship. He is behind the bar more than 1 year. He didn't come. First time he has filed, Lordship. Day after tomorrow.
Payroll. Only 50 matters are pending.
Okay, yesterday already filed, Lordship.
All are listed, yes.
Urgent circulation of two temporary bail. One is the wife of under treatment of the delivery Lordship. All the family member is behind the bar. And second is the patient under section 125.
Offense under section
125. Patient applicant undergone life 13 months and authority dismissed for his services are.
Why remain family members are in jail?
One person. He also undergo behind.
Why other family members are in jail? Detained.
He is one temporary bail. He is the
okay.
302.
All
the families, father and brother also is under behind the bar, and his wife is under treatment in vigilance. And second is under section 125. Present applicant.
Regular bail is filed, which is pending before this court.
Appeal is pending before this one.
Regular bail is also pending.
Lord, he is behind the bar life.
Regular bail is pending for the consideration.
Yes, yes.
No. Next. This is a practice I have noticed in the 3 or 4 matters. There are simultaneously two proceeding, 2 types of proceedings are going on. No, it's not permitted. No. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. One. Don't I don't 2 or 6.
May I mention?
One. You have to opt the one channel.
Yes. Lordship, I'm requesting one circulation for regular bail before charge sheet filed yesterday. The accused is 23 years, Lordship, in jail for forgery of mark sheet, Lordship, on WhatsApp, Lordship. Very minor offense before charge sheet, Lordship.
I'm requesting for urgent circulation of a matter in modification of condition of temporary bail, madam, for tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, madam.
Modification for what?
Modification of condition of temporary bail, madam, from trial court, madam.
Condition. What
condition is that lower court granted temporary bail with police escort. So here we are getting direction that.
Sorry, sir.
Serial number 85. This is habeas corpus petition, my lord. My lords have given the permission for tomorrow, but somehow it has been listed today. May I request for day after tomorrow because advocate on record is not available today. May I request for day after tomorrow? Permission was given for tomorrow.
Serial number
85. Minor daughter has
marriage is solemnized. She is very.
She was relevant point of
even
time.
complaint is filed with Disa police station.
Yes. But
So
she
now
was
what
she was minor, my
So
lord.
now what remains? You have shown.
My lord, may I request
We
for
have
day after
sent the
tomorrow?
request.
I am not the advocate on record.
Police sit and idle, nothing more than that. You have situated like this.
May I
We have
request
filed
for day
numbers
after-
of PT applications.
May I
Before
request
the
for day after
concerned
tomorrow
authority.
because I am not on a record advocate.
No problem. Day after two.
Please. And one more request, my lord. One consent caution, my lord, the applicant is behind the bars. Because of the political vendetta, the
14.
my lord, may I request for next week, 6th or 7th?
Need opening. Yes,
In that case, my lord, I will request the
Sufficient permission. You
yes, please. In that case, my lord, I will request the
Yes, sir, what about-
yes.
Opening.
Please.
May I'm requesting for one circulation of the consent causing mallet, the office of the POXO mallet. There is a settlement and I am requesting for mallet.
In POXO settlement.
There is
26. Yes.
Another request for mallet, the circulation of the money entering matter mallet. I have this
26.
I have this
26.
Please, Lord, I am mentioning on behalf of Mr. P.M. Lakha. He has filed one modification of order passed by Honorable Mr. Commander. Difficulty is that Lordship, his mother is suffering from breast cancer and aged is 72 years. Order passed by Honorable High Court is that police escort. My respectful submission, my request is that I am only requesting that police escort may be deleted. Therefore, I am requesting offense is Lordship regarding that is I have not mentioned.
Yes, ma'am. Because I'm requesting urgent circulation for day after tomorrow upon quashing petition. And here we are requesting for praying for urgent stay order. The petitioner order, he was a primary secondary teacher and he had to seek voluntary retirements due to threats by the complainant. Now, this
Offense registered under
after
section
138. 138.
16.
Your sessions matter is pending before the sessions and they're pressing for proceeding with the matter. Honorable Mr.
No
Justice
moral
Megre has
turpitude at all. No moral
this
turpitude at all.
we had moved during the vacations we had moved this one.
May I request for circulation of one regular bill after charge sheet? It was filed on 5th of May. Any day in the first week of reopening? Because it was filed on 5th of May.
Routine list.
I'm obliged.
May I request, sir? Request for withdrawal of a matter where the application is filed there before charge sheet. Now the charge sheet is filed. Sessions Court said that once the matter is pending in the High Court, therefore we will not accept the applications. I only want to make a withdrawal of none of the applications. I'll give the number. No?
Which sessions court?
Sorry.
Which sessions court?
Surat.
Serial number?
I'm requesting for circulation for withdrawal of not the applications.
So more.
May I, Mr. Lordship, I'm seeking circulation of 2 matters temporary bail. One is for the medical treatment of the petitioner, madam. Prisoner is in jail.
He is suffering from?
Gastro problem. He is suffering from bleeding in stool, madam. The report is there, madam. From jail, I also inquired.
Day after
And one
tomorrow.
is for agriculture purpose. The petitioner is behind the bar.
Second is for?
Agriculture purpose.
Sorry, one is medical ground is permissible day after tomorrow.
May I
Yes,
mention a
please.
matter in daily board? Such as serial number 10, 12, 13, and 14. It has become interest.
Serial number
10,
10.
13, and 14. They are of the same applicant.
Just a minute. 13,
10, 12, 13, and 14.
13 and 14. Yes, yes, sir.
They are of the same applicant. It was for extension of bail. Applicant has already surrendered on yesterday. May I request for withdrawal?
Yes. 10, 12, 13, 14.
Obliged.
Seek permission to understand this. Yes. Yes.
Lordship, I'm requesting circulation of one matter. Now the 138, the conviction is there. Now the matter is settled. The party is settled the disputes.
26.
Sorry.
26.
And this for it is already settled. Already the accusation.
Simple.
Or the payment is to be made as per the terms of the settlement. Or the payment is already made.
You can request before the regular court, please, for the pre-payment. So,
Madam,
Lordship.
may I request for 26th for the same?
numbers of petitioner are in queue. In register. Numbers of petitions are pending, yet to be listed.
Since the
These are filed in the April, even in the March also.
Since the settlement is there, no, that's only.
But at the belated stage, not at the time of the notice. Then he had to face the consequences.
So the payment is already
Sufficient opportunity is availed him. He availed already. Yes,
May I request for 26 in that now?
Sorry.
Is that
I am
Sorry.
requesting for urgent circulation of one regular bail before charge sheet. T54, my lord. And the boy is age 20 years, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship requesting for urgent circulation of a regular bail after charge sheet, my lord. Offenses and prohibition, my lord. After charge sheet.
27.
And one another anticipatory bail also, my lord. I have a certified copy. I have supplied the certified copy, my lord. Objection was raised. I have cleared the objection, my lord. Requesting for urgent circulation of the
Where it was
16th of May, my lord. 16th.
Routine.
Urgent circulation for one temporary bail application. Applicant father is expired and after
Who is expired?
applicant's father. And
When
after
when
6 months ceremony,
When expired?
before 6 months.
Now
After,
ceremony?
after 6 months ceremony, he is required to attend.
Sorry,
and
sir,
Lordship,
before
I
regular
prefer- Before Lordship learned session court is rejected Lordship. And ceremony started on 5th July, 5th June Lordship.
Sorry.
Otherwise, unfactual is my matter Lordship. I am requesting for day after tomorrow.
After 6 months, which ritual and rites? After 6 months?
Is Fatiha Khani, Majlis and Niyaz Lordship.
After 6 months or 40
After
days?
6 months ceremony Lordship.
After
Card is-
6 months or 40 days?
Card is there Lordship. Kindly.
6 months or 40 days? 40 days. Where is under? I have never heard for 6 months. 40 days. 40 days under Mohammedan.
Program is scheduled Lordship. And
hey, even one sir. No, sorry.
And I prefer learned trial court Lordship. Session court is rejected
No,
my application. Therefore,
sorry, sir. Please.
Serial number
Next.
16 minutes. Mentioning on behalf of
Serial number?
16.
16. Yes, sir.
Mentioning on behalf of Mr. Amrajit Serial.
Hmm.
Applicant is surrender, so I mean, running to withdraw.
Serial number 16.
Requesting for circulation for one suspension of sentence, my lord.
Then convict.
5th May.
5th May.
And trial court granted
6.
We are requesting the circulation of a regular bail before charge sheet, where we are apprehending that charge sheet would be filed. This is a 23-year-old boy. And allegations regarding forging of mark sheet on WhatsApp, not the actual mark. And he is in jail with us since 24.
24.
20th of April.
April.
Please.
15.
Okay.
છોકરીને એડમિટ કરેલી છે ને આજની પરમિશન જોઈએ ને ટ્રીટમેન્ટ માટે મારા પાસે પૈસા નથી અને આગળ પાછળ કોઈ છે નહીં લવ મેરેજ કરેલા જ કોઈ બોલાતું નથી આજની પરમિશન આપો
આજે નહીં બેન થઈ શકે
કાલની આપી
આજે
દેશે?
શાંત થઈ જશે આપી અમને આપશે
હું છે પોરબંદરથી આવી છું પોરબંદરથી છેટ આવી છું મારે કોથળીનું ઓપરેશન કરાવવાનું છે ગયા અઠવાડિયે મેં એપ્લિકેશન નાખી હતી પણ વિથડ્રો કરાવી હતી કારણ કે ડોક્ટરની તારીખ નથી ઓપરેશનની તો હું તારીખ લઈને આવી છું તો મારે મારા ઘરવાળાને પેરલ જોઈએ છે
વિડ્રો કરે નવી દાખલ કરવી પડે ને નવી દાખલ કરી
ના આજની પરમિશન લેવી
દાખલ કરવામાં ક્યાં પરમિશનની જરૂર છે દાખલ તો કરો તમે પહેલા દાખલ કરશો તો રજીસ્ટર થઈ જ જશે કશું પેન્ડિંગ નથી દાખલ કરશો તો થઈ જશે 2 દિવસમાં પછી નહીં થાય
તો કાલની
ગુરુવારથી નહીં થાય બહુ સ્પષ્ટ
સર કાલની આપો ને તો કાલની થઈ જાય મારે 2
પણ કરો ને થઈ જશે, હું ક્યાં ના પાડું છું. એમાં પરમિશન ની જરૂર નથી. દાખલ
સાહેબ
કરી
અમે 4-5 દિવસથી દાખલ કરી
50 મેટર છે, કાલે પૂરી થઈ જાય.
સાહેબ અમે 4-5 દિવસથી દાખલ કરી બોર્ડ ઉપર ના આવતી. કાલની પરમિશન આપો ને મારા ભાભીનું ઓપરેશન એની ઘરવાળો
હશે જ ને. ક્યારે દાખલ કઈ તારીખે?
સાહેબ ગુરુવારે.
કયા ગુરુવારે?
આ ગયા ગુરુવારે.
હશે જ ને, ગુરુવારે આવી ગઈ ને. આવી જશે
સાહેબ
આવી જશે. Yes.
મારો બાબુ નીચે પડી ગયો હોય, ડાબા પગમાં ફ્રેક્ચર થઈ ગયું એમને. 2 મહિનાથી સારવાર ચાલુ હોય, હજી 1 મહિનો સારવાર કરાવવાની ને એમને માલિશ ને જોગિંગ કરાવવાની.
સોરી, નેક્સ્ટ.
સાહેબ પત્ની બી માનસિક બીમારી है, સારવાર વસ્તુ કોઈ નહીં. પરમિશન લેવાની ફાઇલ થઈ ગઈ છે સાહેબ.
તો આવી જશે. ફાઇલ થઈ ગઈ, બધી આવી જશે, ચિંતા કરશો.
એટલે પરમિશન લેવાનું કીધું है. પત્ની બી માનસિક બીમારી મેન્ટલ
દાખલ કરી
કાલે કરી સાહેબ ને ગઈ કાલે હાજર થવાનું સાહેબ. પરમિશન
સર હું તો પાડોશી છું. અતુલ, હું જે પેરોલ લેવાની છે ને એમના પાડોશી છું. એમના મમ્મી બહાર બેઠા છે, એને કિડની પર ગાંઠ છે, એના માટેની મેડિકલ પરમિશન.
ક્યારે દાખલ કરી?
એડમિટ કરેલા હતા પણ ઓપરેશન કરવાનું છે ને તો એમના સનની સાઈન
અરજી ક્યારે દાખલ
નથી કરી સર. હમણાં આપની પરમિશન લેવા.
દાખલ કરો, પરમિશન ની જરૂર નહીં બેન.
કરી દી આજે.
તમારે જયારે કર્યું ત્યારે કરો. એમાં દાખલ કર્યું અને ના આવતું હોય તો બોલો.
ના, ઉપરથી છે ને ઓર્ડર ની ઓનલાઈન આવેલી છે, સર્ટિફાઈ નકલ ને 2-3 દિવસ લાગશે એમ કીધું.
એ તો ઓબ્જેક્શન હોય તો એમાં હું ના કહી શકું.
મારો બાબો 12 સાયન્સમાં તો કોલેજમાં એડમિશન લેવાનું છે. 19 તારીખે સબમિટ કરી દીધું.
દાખલ કરી છે? અરજી દાખલ કરી?
હા, 19 તારીખે કરી દીધી.
તો આવી જશે, 2 દિવસમાં આવી જશે બધી.
કાલની પરમિશન આપી દઉં, સુરત થી આવી.
દાખલ થઈ ગઈ હોય બેન એટલે હવે બદલાય નહીં. એમ બોર્ડ બનતા હશે અથવા બની ગયા હશે.
સાહેબ મારા સસરા ઓફ થઈ ગયા, એક્સપાયર થઈ ગયેલા છે. મારા સસરા
ક્યારે એક્સપાયર થયા?
એમાં તારીખ મારેલી છે.
કઈ વાંધો નહીં, આવશે રૂટીન. ચલો નેક્સ્ટ.
Circulation of regular bail application under 420-406.
Section?
420 and 406 plus. The trial court order is 20th of May, Milors.
28. Then file.
I'm filing it today, Milors.
Sorry, sir. Next.
No,
No,
this regular bill, therefore.
No. Sorry, sir.
Day after tomorrow.
No.
Another request is for 2 quashing petition because urgency is like that identical matter is coming from same CR is coming tomorrow, one of the matter. Therefore, is these 2 may circulated for tomorrow.
Same day, 27. Sorry, yes. બોલો બેન.
પરમિશન લેવાની સાહેબ અને બેબીના લગ્ન માટે
ક્યારે દાખલ
હમણાં દાખલ થઈ ગઈ.
થઈ ગઈ છે, તો આવશે બોર્ડ પરમિશન.
હા સાહેબ.
Please, Lordship, it is regarding NDPS case. Order passed by Honorable High Court is regarding Lordship expert, police expert was given. His mother is suffering from breast cancer, Lordship. 72 years and therefore I am requesting.
In NDPS it's okay. From outside, he is hailing from outstate.
No, from Gujarat.
There could be purpose for escort, even otherwise it's no such.
But Lordship, now difficulty is that his mother is suffering from breast cancer and Mr. PM Lakhani's matter is there. And 72 years, Lordship, operation is required, Lordship.
It's not such.
In appeal also, therefore he was.
Sorry, sir. Yes.
Lord, I'm seeking permission to circulate one consent washing at the day after tomorrow on Friday. Reason being, my lords have already gone to the matter is already settled between the parties. There is a marriage in the function. It is stigmatic.
Already body is prepared.
But it will take only 15 seconds because he has already filed the complainant has already filed the affidavit that on record it is there.
Sorry, sir. No urgency at all. 20 seconds.
Well, one under circulation of regular bail application. A bail application is already filed at 24th May, Lordship, under POCSO Act, Lordship.
24th May. Avi just 4th. Routine. Yes, routine.
Daily vote, serial number 1, 14 person. Jasmine Ben, Bharat Bhai.
It is direct fee ભરવાનું.
તો મારે કોલેજની ફીસ ભરવાની છે મારી 1,02,000. મારા પપ્પા એક જ છે, દાદા નથી ને પપ્પાને કોઈ ભય નથી.
Recently 6th of April મિલોટ 15 days પરિવારને મદદ કરવા માટે.
સર ત્યારે ગોલ્ડ લોન પે કરી હતી, એના તમે ડોક્યુમેન્ટ જોઈ શકો છો. 6.25 લાખ ભર્યા હતા એ ટાઈમે. મેં 30 તારીખ છેલ્લી આપી હતી કોલેજમાંથી 30/4. એ પણ ડિલે જતી રહી છે. સર વધારે આપો ને કેમ કે 1 લાખ ઉપર ભરવાની છે.
બેન 3 વખત છોડ્યા છે.
પણ સર એ ટાઈમે ગોલ્ડ લોન
5 મહિનામાં 3 વખત છોડ્યા છે. ખરેખર કરતા જ નથી પણ હવે આ તો એજ્યુકેશન નું નામ દીધું એટલે
થેન્ક યુ સર.
એના કારણે ભાઈ યુ શુડ સેકન્ડ. Yes.
Serial number 2.
7 days.
Rajan Patel.
Yes, my lord. For the want of financial assistance, he want to sell out one property which is
He was released last.
he was released in 2019. Then after he is not released. He is in jail since 2016. He is convicted for the 10 years. 7 years is already undergone. Appeal is pending before this honorable court. It is for the final hearing.
He belongs to Mumbai.
He belongs to Mumbai, but at this stage he is in Ahmedabad jail. So
He's
Ahmedabad
still in
Sabarmati jail.
Where he is settled.
He belongs to Mumbai.
10 days. We shall mark his presence before the nearest police station.
Lordship, 15 days maybe.
In handy PSR.
Deeply obliged.
બોર્ડ આવી ગયું મારું. મારું બોર્ડ આવી ગયું. અચ્છા. Yes.
Serial number 3, 14 person. Abid Khan, Ajmal Khan.
Yes. Next. Check. Line.
Last release is 2020 where 392 days is absconded. And thereafter he was not considered.
Reason?
The reason is to provide the assistance to the family. The Lagna secretaries on 31st of May, date of marriage is 4th of June. From 31st, the functions are being started.
7 days. Yes.
Serial number 4, 14 person. Vishnu Bhai, Mappa Bhai, Ravari.
Last recently in month of May for 15 days, then 7 days extension. He was to surrender.
Reason?
26th. Sir, 26th he was to surrender. He has already entered 5 days. This is for further extension.
For what reason? કેમ જોઈએ?
સાહેબ મારો પહેલા દીકરા ઓફ થઈ ગયા હતા હાજર થવાનું તો એ દિવસે એના લીધે સાહેબ ચૂકી ગયા.
No case is made out.
26 તારીખે સાહેબ.
Sorry. Next.
કાલે સાહેબ હાજર થઈ જઈશ. આ 4 દિવસ
આજે જ થાવ. કાલે
આજે
નહીં.
સાહેબ
પહેલા follow the order. Next.
ના સાહેબ એવું નથી સાહેબ.
Reject. ચલો next.
Serial number 5, Morini H. Third. હું જેલ છે પણ કાલે હું જેલ કાલે છે આજ માણસની નામ છે ઘનશ્યામ ઠક્કર. આજે પાર્ટી અરે એડવોકેટ છું છે કાલે એક મેટરમાં
તો એ થશે એટલે પછી બંધ. કે કાલે સાથે રહો.
ના ના સાહેબ આજે ગમે તે
તો કાલે એ વિડ્રો કરી લે કરવાની રહેશે. કાલે રાખો શું કરવું? 2 કરી છે તો
I'm living upon my lord, sir. The medical treatment extension is required on the ground of the medical treatment.
extension.
Yes, madam.
There is certificate. Medical.
I may be permitted to proceed. Treatment is undergoing.
For what?
The right hand of the applicant was burned 1.5 years before. I have annexed the photograph. I may at annexer E. Now some fluid is coming out and the surgery is required. Doctor has opined to visit on every Wednesday.
When scheduled? Surgery when scheduled?
Surgery has not been scheduled yet. As
No cases made out. Actions. Next.
Serial number 6 is GR.
Yes.
This is the extension of temporary bail.
Yes.
This is
For
a very
what?
peculiar case.
For what reason?
Brain surgery, second time brain surgery.
Brain surgery.
Second time brain surgery.
Very good.
Applicant himself, Lordship, here
Where is reports?
I have annexed medical report. My lordship.
Have you annexed?
Yes,
Have you
lordship.
annexed? Where is?
My lordship may kindly turn to page number 27, lordship.
27.
Yes, lordship.
Just a minute.
Since the ammonia levels, Lordship, yes, annexes in page number 27. This is the report of 23rd May 2023. Ammonia levels 263 Lordships, whereas the preferred levels should be less than 95 Lordships. Which is even this is a very peculiar case, Lordship. See here, the applicant met with an motor vehicle accident, Lordship, in the year 2016. Then he was operated first in brain surgery, Lordship. Now, the applicant was getting treatment through the jail authorities, Lordship. Jail authorities were kind enough to provide proper treatment to him. But
3 weeks extension, medical ground. 3 weeks. Yes.
Lordships are granting
3 weeks. Yes.
Instead of 3 weeks, it is 4 weeks because ammonia levels are too high.
February. Since February is out.
He is out, but Lordship may see the ammonia.
Yes.
And
then you may submit the other. Yes. 7.
Number 8.
Yes.
8 and 9 both are coexistent.
8, 9, 11.
Just mean 8,
9, 11.
Yes.
Then after 101, 102, and 103.
Then 10?
101, 102, and 103.
Yes. 101.
Yes.
10?
101, 102, 103.
Yes.
But all the relatives of the main accused wife have been arraigned as accused in this matter, my lord. Offense is under 306. I'll begin with the file of 7664. That is at serial number 8, my lord.
Rule written about. June.
My lord, there is one request.
8, 9, 11, 101, 102, 103.
My lord, there is one request, my lord. My lord, the wife Priyanka is pregnant. Out of serial number 8, 9, and 11, one has been protected, my lord. I am requesting for protection of 2 other persons because the wife is pregnant. The lady
protection
is pregnant,
there.
My lord, as far as the other matters are there, it is already rule returnable. Therefore, I am requesting to pass the matter to sahab argue kari. And the other matters have already been ruled earlier, prior to a month, my lord.
It's an art of advocacy, sir.
I'm sorry.
It's an art of advocacy. What you have mentioned?
My lord, I am mentioning that I had filed an application for the later.
By 1-3, this is not a case and this is not a scheme.
All may be hard together.
This one is not a
Yes, sir.
hard of
Because
this is nothing but out of advocacy, sir.
Hold the accused.
My lord,
Sorry,
it was
sir.
made
No, sorry. Please. In case of emergency, you may move for the preponderance. Yes.
Short date may be given, my lord.
Yes.
I'm on behalf of the complainant.
Serial number 15, parting person, report 10.
Serial number? 15. But there is 15 years. Yes.
Recently, for me, 10 days from 8th of May to 19th of May, he was considered.
For extension, this one?
It is for extension, yes, for the extension.
Reason?
The reason which has been mentioned, is page number 2. માતાજી ની બાધાઓને માનતાઓ પૂર્ણ કરવાના.
No cases head out.
Serial 16, serial 17, 14%. Delete the Bharati.
બોલો કેમ જોઈએ કારણ શું?
કારણ સાહેબ છોકરાની સ્કૂલની ફી ભરવાની એડમિશન
2nd of June needs to surrender.
10 તારીખે સરેન્ડર થઈ જવાનું. યસ 10મી સુધી બરાબર 10મી સરેન્ડર થઈ જવાનું. 10 મિનિટ.
Serial number 18. Husband and work.
સિરિયલ નંબર?
IRPM.
યસ
18.
So it is under 306.
Yes, madam.
Already FIR is at page 16. I am the brother of the husband.
Regular.
In other sense, the year of the
regular
bail before charge sheet.
Yes.
Lordship may turn to page 16.
19.
The date of the FIR is 1st April on right hand side on the top.
Rule returnable.
Well, this is charge sheet is likely to file anytime. The Lordship may make it rule returnable at the earliest possible. Tomorrow or day after.
In opening, it's a very difficult, sir. Courts are overburdened. During the opening and even my court is also overburdened. So many matters are pending in registry.
Regular bail has got all the priority to be
convert. What is the
so the day after tomorrow is possible for your Lordship?
Please.
Then Lordship is keeping on.
19.
19. That will be
within 3 days. I have.
Then what will happen? I will tell you, Lordships. Lordship may see my date of arrest is 2nd April. So by that time, about the 75 days will be over. So then charge sheet will be filed. So I will have to withdraw, go to sessions court, then come. Therefore, the rule is required to be made returnable.
12. 12. 1 week.
I am obliged.
Yes.
1119, Mr. Jaideep S. India.
ક્યારે દાખલ કરી છે બેન? ક્યારે દાખલ કરી?
દાખલા રહેતા તારીખ છે.
મદદ કરશો તમને? Yes, sir.
Lordship, regular bail before charge sheet, Lordship, offense under section 307 of IPC, Lordship. Except allegation of 307, there is nothing on record.
Rule returnable.
Allegation on Lordship.
When accused is arrested?
11th of April, Lordship.
11th April.
Lordship.
19.
I request any date before 11 June, Lordship. First charge sheet.
Cinema 20, Mr. Jaideep S.
Lordship. Application for regular bail before charge sheet. Prohibition, Lordship. Driver and cleaner of the truck, Lordship. No antecedent, Lordship. Muddamal liquor worth rupees, Lordship. 2,83,000, Lordship. Driver and cleaner, Lordship.
20.
The request for Lordship in first week because it is before charge sheet. And Lordship, 18th/4 is the arrest date, Lordship. Driver and cleaner, Lordship. No arrest, antecedent, Lordship. 18th April is the Lordship date of arrest, Lordship. So before 18th.
Sufficient time is there.
True, Lordship. But my request first week because charge sheet will be filed, Lordship.
First week is very difficult, sir. 19.
18th April, Lordship. Till 18th June.
16th.
Lordship.
No problem.
મારે કોલેજમાં એડમિશન લેવાનું એટલે અમે 19 તારીખે ફાઇલ સબમિટ કરી દીધી છે. કાલની પરમિશન
આવી જશે. કાલે નહીં, રૂટીનમાં આવી જ જશે. જોઈ લેજો બોર્ડ પર ફેલા બધી થઈ ગઈ છે. ચલો કોણ?
307.
Yes.
307 after charge sheet, Lordship.
Same offense?
No, another offense. 307 after charge sheet. On the grounds of parody, Lordship. One accused is released, Lordship, already.
One same.
Cinema 22, Mr. Vaibhav and Sheth.
This is 302 after charge sheet. Case of circumstantial evidence and
rule returnable. 27. After charge sheet.
After charge. 20th if possible. A week before if possible. I am only
27.
Because 16/1/23 is the date of arrest therefore. એટલે આ એક રેગ્યુલર માં આવી ગઈ છે.
બરાબર છે પણ ચાર્જ શીટ વાળા આવશે ને બીજા પાસે એમના માટે 100%
ઓબ્લિક.
ગેટફુલ ટુ થઈ જશે. બીજું કોઈ કારણ નથી.
Grateful to the honorable.
અને અમે તમારે થઈ ગયું છે. It doesn't make any difference.
Yes. 1 week here or there.
Yes.
Oblige me.
Cinema 23, Mr. KNR Desai.
Under the prohibition, my lord, after charge sheet, my lord, I am jailed in the last 4 months, more than 4 months, my lord. I am arrested, my lord, 20 January, my lord. Present applicant, there is no antecedent, my lord. The charge sheet is also filed, my lord. It's after charge sheet first time. FIR, my lord, page number 9, my lord. Page number 10, my lord. Here, my lord, I am driving the container, my lord, and their liquor was found in.
Yes. 24.
My lord, mechanic, so which date, my lord?
27.
My lord, mechanic request.
After charge
16, my lord, 16, my lord.
Charge sheet is filed, sir.
No,
No
that's it.
urgency.
But he is last 4 months he is in jail. There is no antecedent, my lord. Humble request, I am only if 16 or 19, my lord, may kindly request. A humble request, my lord.
It's very difficult, sir. Sufficient matters are.
Otherwise, I will not request.
Sorry, sir.
19, my lord, if possible. May.
Sorry, 27. Yes.
24.
Yes.
Here.
Here. This is on 306.
306. Where is
Regular?
not? Where is the?
After charge sheet or
No, it's before charge sheet.
before charge
Before
sheet?
charge sheet.
When arrested?
So it's 11th February.
11th February. So then charge sheet. After charge sheet?
No, this is before charge
So-
sheet. It is filed
So
before
then
charge
he
sheet.
arrested 11th February then?
I'm sorry. Yes, yes. It is after charge sheet. It is after charge
So rule returnable 27.
Can
Only
you
for
clear-
purpose of fixing date, not other purpose.
Lord, then.
I was asking date only for fixing the date.
Lord.
Yes.
Number 25. LB Champawan.
Please. Regular bail after filing of charge sheet offense under Prohibition Act. He was sitting beside the driver. The Muddamal worth rupees 4 lakhs. Before my lords may say any date, the co-accused matter is coming on 9th of June, wherein rule is already issued. So if it can be kept on that, it can be along with 8-1102-29.
Yes.
Number 26. Ashish Hamdani.
Yes.
His application is before charge sheet, regular bail, not the offense under section 406.
20?
Regular bail, before charge sheet, not the offense is not that he is having a agency of BSNL and Vodafone. The allegation is that section 1 is 406, 465, 460.
When arrested?
I was arrested on 27th of
Okay,
April.
sufficient time is there. 23rd. 23rd.
His application is before charge sheet, otherwise no charge sheet will not be
2 months is there.
Yes.
Prior to 2 months I have posted. 23rd.
Very good.
I have taken care. Yes, next.
1127. LB Champawan.
Please.
Yes.
This is also under Prohibition Act. This is before charge sheet. Applicant is
When
arrested
arrested?
on 22nd of April.
22nd of April.
Please, therefore, before 22nd of June, my lords.
19.
May I request some 2 or 3 days more earlier, my lords, on 15th or so?
16th.
16th, please.
Number 28. Number 29. India Jai Mansoori.
Regular bail application after charge sheet, lordship, lady active lordship.
After charge sheet?
After charge sheet. He is lordship behind the bar 8 September 2022 lordship.
8 September.
8 September lordship. And this person FIR is registered lordship of 8/1/2022 lordship.
28. 28 June.
Some 1 week early lordship. He is lady active and 10 months he is.
Charge sheet is already filed. And
charge sheet is filed lordship.
Petition is only there. To accommodate other. Wherein charge sheet is yet to be filed.
Lordship. Public.
Number 31. Mr. Karim M. Sayyed.
Yes.
This is after filing of charge sheet regular bail motion. Your offense under section 360.
28.
Please, I am obliged.
Yes.
Number 32. Darshan Burandani.
Please, Lordship, appearing on behalf of Mr. Varandani, this is anticipatory bail application. Offences are 406, 420, 114. Lordship, may kindly have FIR at page number 9. Lords, I am.
Bail for 406. Notice is issued or not? 41.
No, my lords. This is for the first time of coming before my lords. Lordship, may kindly see, Lords, the allegation is that complainant had procured. Lords, my role is that I am only the.
Who is appearing for? Yes. Please. 8967 of 2021. Word. The name. Advocate, what is good name, ma'am? What is your good name?
Zainab Arman.
On behalf of. On behalf of Advocate Darshan Vardhan.
Varandan.
for Darshan Varandari and learned EPP of the JK Shah for the state. Present petition filed under section 438 of CRPC being by applicant being apprehended is arrest in connection with the offence registered with Kandla Marine Police Station under section 406 420 114 of Indian Penal Code. Prima facie, it appears that the above offence is punishable up to 7 years, and as offence is punishable up to 7 years, in that case, the mandatory provisions of section 41A is required to be followed by the police, as law laid down Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Anish Kumar versus State of Bihar, reported in 2014, volume 8 SSC, page number 273, and Sapindra Kumar Antil versus CBI versus 2022, by page number 557. Police authority has to scrupulously follow the direction issued by Honorable Supreme Court. With opposite direction, better stand disposal.
Please, my lords, if my lords are not inclined, lords should. Lords, because prima facie there is no allegation against. I am only the
Oh, mechanically arrest, ma'am. Sufficient safeguards is provided. Go to the para 11.
Please, my lords.
And para 7.
Lordship, my lords, I will take my chance after vacation.
Stand disposal.
No, if my lord, no.
In 7 years, I am not going to entertain application itself. No. Next.
Otherwise, my lords, there
It's
is
a
no-
mandatory provision. Provisions are there. Next.
Number 33. So Dinesh Kumar D.
Otherwise, some higher condition, maybe some higher, stricter condition may be imposed, my lords.
Question of arrest doesn't arise, ma'am.
Lords,
Not
but
mechanical
police
arrest.
Has lords in my
Our magistrate is there. And if police mechanically arrest, then file the contempt proceedings, departmental proceeding, he has to face. Provisions are there. Why we are
Otherwise,
bothered?
they have opposed my bail application.
Not necessary. Even
They-
by consent, I am not inclined to grant or allow the application, even by consent. Even even by consent. Sorry. Kindly go through the judgment, ma'am. Kindly go through the judgment. Next. Yes.
Number 33. Mr. Dinesh Kumar D. Gautam.
384 report charge sheet and date of arrest is 22nd of March.
22nd of March.
16, 17 in limit.
To charge is file charge sheet
No, 22 પછી થશે.
22/5 ને
22/6. કારણ કે માર્ચ છે એટલે 22/6 એટલે પ્રોસેસ મેં પહોંચી on 16th of June. Rule it.
16 to return. Yes.
Number 34. Mr. Duke and
After charge sheet 406 420 is there.
28, sir.
As may I request 13 or 14. He is behind the bar since in that
Please,
case
sir.
15 only.
Charge sheet is filed. No urgency.
Charge sheet is filed, therefore, because this is nothing but pre-trial conviction, therefore.
We know, but words are over.
28,
28.
please.
Number 35. Mr. Avis J. Patel.
408 420 114 of the IPC.
Section?
Section 408 420 and 114 of the IPC. My lord, FIR on page number
Regular?
7. Before charge sheet regularly.
When arrested?
Arrested 18 for 2023.
18th.
18th April.
18th April. 14th. Good return.
Number 35. So 36. So, am I saying?
Application for regular report charge sheet 379 AM. No recovery, no DIT, nothing, no antecedent.
When arrested? Sir.
25th April 2020.
26th April.
25th.
25th April. Rule written number 20.
Before charge sheet.
Sufficient time.
Number 37, this Ashisham Delhi.
406 for 20 minutes after filing the charge sheet, utter non-compliance of the provisions of section 41A of the judgment of the Arnesh Kumar. A specific contention is also made before the trial court.
Regular.
It is regular bail after filing the charge sheet. His arrest was made on 28th of February 2023. A dispute of civil nature
When he was arrested?
on 22nd February 2023.
22nd
February 23.
Charge sheet
is filed now. And in fact, no notice was given under section 41A. State where the arrest was made.
So why you sit and idle?
No, in
Sufficient
fact,
safeguard here.
no, I have taken a specific ground also in my application for bail before the
Not
trial
only
court.
the application, even we have a right to proceed.
I made a complaint also before the
Yes.
magistrate. Complaint was made before the
You
magistrate.
are entitled for getting the compensation.
In fact, I have annexed
Numbers
judgment.
of judgments are there. Numbers of judgments are there.
I have annexed the judgment where the view is.
Numbers of judgments are there
Yes.
for the consequences.
There is
for non-compliance.
But he has to be released immediately. That is
Yes,
the
sir.
first criteria.
Exactly, even without application, where it is produced before the magistrate. Sufficient safeguards and the provisions, remedial provisions are there.
But therefore, he has to be granted
But
bail.
issued it. Why you sit and idle?
No, I have taken note that grounds also. I have.
Ground is also not filed the separate proceedings. You are entitled even for the compensation. Yes.
First, I am entitled for release. Then I do everything.
Rule returnable 28.
Lord.
Yes.
Obliged.
Yes.
See number 38, this is Samir Abdul Khan.
Yes. Nothing. Password? Yes.
The charge sheet has been filed.
Charge sheet filed.
So I'm seeking permission to withdraw the liberty to come after charge sheet.
Learned advocate seek the permission to withdraw. Petition is as it is filed. Permission is also strictly but to file the appropriate proceedings after filing the charge. Before the appropriate proceedings.
Like
Withdraw permission.
Number 39, this
Yes.
Anticipatory bail offences are under section 3 and 7 of the essential 3 and 7 of Essential Commodities Act, 25(1) of Fertilizer Control Order, and 406, 420, 468, 460, 471, 120B and 201. I may request my lords to read the edition of charge report at page 16. It summarizes the FIR as well as the facts before and after. 16, my lord, 16.
Yes.
Yes, Jai Bharat साथ BN गोहिल पुलिस सब इंस्पेक्टर वर्णामा पुलिस स्टेशन वडोदरा ग्राम्य विनंती रिपोर्ट के वर्णामा पुलिस स्टेशन पार्ट बी गुना रजिस्टर नंबर सो आवश्यक चीज वस्तु धारा कलम 371 तथा रासायनिक खातर नियंत्रण हुकम 1985
28 rule returnable, sir.
obliged. Right.
Then JD paid sin.
number 40, JD sin.
Regular report to atrocity, Lordship. Father of the accused is made a
Complainant also, yes.
Lordship. I would request for direct service to concerned police station.
Through consent.
Okay. May I request for direct service to concerned police station, Lordship?
Yes,
Returnable on Lordship date. It is before charge sheet, Lordship. 15th or 16th, may I request?
When?
It is 11th of April, I am arrested, Lordship.
When arrested?
11th of April.
11th of April.
Lordship. So maybe 15th or 16th, maybe, Lordship.
9.
Obliged.
9.
Obliged, Lordship. Direct service to concerned police station, Lordship.
Notice to original complaint. Respondent party बनावे છે original through police officer. Respondent number 2 through police officer.
Direct service to concerned police.
Yes, permit.
Obliged, Lordship.
Number 41, rule for financial assistance 302 inside from 1903-2021. For Lordship can tell you the last paragraph. Can I read? Order passed by trial court, start for second page.
Yes.
Younger brother, elder brother, everyone is there now.
Yes.
Detail purpose.
No cases, madam.
Obliged. Number 42 through jail. Financial assistance and NDPS
or financial assistance.
Also, econogram commercial model. Lordship may not exercise a discretion. This is the biggest crime. The trial court said the Bakshi Rupa to legal aid for license.
When arrested.
Page number last for second page. ચોથી લાઈન સાહેબ પોતાના કેસમાં વકીલ રોકવા માટે અને સરકારી વકીલ રોકીને પણ
To engage advocate. No cases. We don't. Yes.
Number 43, under trial prisoner number 302, Lordship will not exercise the discretion on the ground that last case he was apprehended after 858 days. Earlier also 13 years पर 13 years पर on the ground के छूटा छेड़ा થઈ જાય છે
Resetting the past conduct
fair conduct
and repeatedly jump the conditions, then he is arrested after a long time of 1.5 years after issuing the warrant under section 70 of CRP. No case is made out.
See number 44, ખાનગી વકીલ રોકવા માટે 302 not released, but Lordship can have a last but second trial court has recorded that there is no permanent address record to protect to given Gujarat છે રેખાના અંગે કોઈ સરનામું ન હોય that is not required to this. That is
No case is made out, even no specific whereabouts.
Number 45 through jail. Please, this is on the ground of financial assistance model. અને પુત્રોના એડમિશન લેવા માટે he was
last release
that's 22 technical about 2 વખત સરળ in time.
Financial assistance 7 days, 10 days.
Number 46.
Financial assistance.
Number 46.
On behalf of Mr. Dave, I may be permitted to appear. Temporary bail, my lords. The applicant is 66 years old. His wife is also 62 years old. It was verified by the investigating officer. Sir, char liti I may be permitted to read from the report. Page 31. 4 lines, my lords may permit me to read from the IO's affidavit.
10 days. Considering no case is made out. Treatment of his wife. Yes.
My lords.
10 days. 10 days.
Immensely grave. Obliged.
Number 47. So 47 and 48 there are two matters. 302 120.
Last he was released on.
Last release was police chapter because earlier he was Farad. Now Lordship can have on the medical ground, but trial court has recorded that transpired there is no need to release applicant equivalent on treatment. He is being treated by civil hospital. And the furthermore medical treatment required by the applicant is also available in civil hospital. The applicant himself has denied to take treatment in the civil hospital. He denied, and we should have last release Lordship looked at in 2018. Police market पकड़ा in 10 months case clear.
Applications filed for on the ground of the medical treatment, but medical treatment is going in civil hospital and even considering the past conduct. Applicant, no case is made up. When earlier he was registered at that time, he remained absconded.
And 2302, 2 cases of 302, both cases.
Question married with right. Same person?
Same person.
Same. Come on. Listen. Yes.
Yeah. Number 49 through J. It's inside from 87/2003 on the ground of Malad, 1 મહિનાના 3 દિવસમાં જામીન આપવા માટે ઉમર લાયક છે financial assistance to help the family.
Last release?
Last release he was not released. The trial court order Malad. From West Bengal he was arrested Malad. He is not available. That is the ground.
This question.
And he was arrested under the
foreigners act. Offense.
Offense છે 302 અને 19 ના ગુમામાં 21 માં પકડાયા હતા સાહેબ. એ છે ઉત્તર પ્રદેશનો બંગલા હતો વેસ્ટ બંગાળ થી. લોર્ડશિપ કેના માલર ટ્રાન્સફર સેકન્ડ પેજ ઓફ ધી માલર. The applicant is native of West Bengal, so also exporting. And he, after a long period, he was arrested after 1 year by police.
એબ્સ્કોન્ડર હતો આ તો એવું લખે.
હા સાહેબ કોઈ એક વર્ષ બી પકડાયા આપણને કારણ કે ફરિયાદ 19 છે સાહેબ.
Considering the past conduct, his applicant remain absconder and the native of applicant is West Bengal and no specific. Considering the possibility of likelihood of absconding, he may not be available for the trial and as trial at the fag end. No cases made out.
Applicant is in jail in two offences. In one offence, temporary bail has already been withdrawn. Therefore, I may be permitted to withdraw this petition.
Even otherwise 19 offenses. He wanted to withdraw, sir. The government is withdraw. Oblige. And then
Obligations. નું નામ છે કેશવ.
Number 51. Emil P. Shah.
Yes.
I may be permitted to appear. But this is application for temporary bail on the ground of applicant's own medical treatment.
Medical leave.
Please.
What? Injury?
Page 11 are the findings.
Ailment for what?
Page 11 may be seen of the
Page 11.
11.
Correct.
Please. Cough problem fluid is building up in his right side lung and having illness. Page 11, last para number 5. Last 3 lines may be seen. I'll withdraw.
Seek permission to withdraw. They want to take a chance. Okay. No, in genuine case, it's okay. Not in all case.
Number 52.
Please, I may be permitted to appear. This is again on the ground of applicant's own medical treatment, but different case. Different case. Page 14 findings.
Page
14 are the findings.
Ailing for what? He is suffering
Left
from
shoulder
disease?
left shoulder of. Very well, I'll withdraw.
Permission to withdraw.
I'm obliged.
See number 53. So
Nothing. What's grounds? This one is for. Oh, so when are you starting? Report is there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Lordship can have name of the applicant. I think this is a mistake. It is Upendra Asumkoi Chawda. Now, it is a report. It is Upendra Dinesh Chawda.
Upendra Asumkoi Chawda. Okay. And hearing Upendra Dev. Okay. No problem. But offense. CR number is same. CR number is same.
Okay. Same.
677. Yes, 677. No problem. Yes. Not an issue.
This is on the ground that scholarship form ભરવાનું હોય but this is rejected mainly on the ground કે 11 और 6 છોકરી ઉપર બળાત્કાર કર્યો છે and not required any intervention.
Recently arrested.
22/22/20 છે.
22/20 છે. Okay, rejected.
He is not here, Lordship can defer for next report because name is also required to correct it.
Simply yes. Keeping. Yes, absent.
Because I just got the message now. Figure 47 and 58. Lordship, seek note of this advocate, Malade. After looking to you to give message,
47 and
48. There is a seek note. So it can be deeper after 2 weeks or so.
No, 2 more. Right, 2 weeks.
Tomorrow? Okay. Tomorrow, please. Yes.
Tomorrow, serial number 47 and 48.
Yes, sir.
Allow થઈ ગયો તો ના આવે. Tomorrow, make it on tomorrow.
Number 54.
Application for a temporary bail on the ground of financial arrangement of the medical needs of his mother.
Last release.
No, I am not aware of it.
He is
Not available.
But page number 437.
I have every section for section.
No.
He is not in my respect to subject to lordship. Last paragraph. So
Page, page number?
Page number 32. Last page.
Yes.
Not Guna Society.
Page number 32. Yes.
No, I
have it.
He is in jail since 30 February. Last release.
No, he is not really. But he mentioned 3 offenses. He is not aware about the offenses.
No, I am aware. I have read.
Yeah,
no.
Yeah,
As for the observation by the system, where I have anything but 3 participants. Information I have read. You don't mention by.
Surgery scheduled when? Yes, sir. On which date scheduled surgery of your mother?
That is not fixed. That is not fixed. Because
So then file after the date is fixed.
where he will come out from the jail.
No, blanket order is not.
Arrangement minute, then after minute.
No. Treatment is going on. Patient doesn't arrive after release.
For next week, I will identify.
This one is not a sir planned surgery. Mind well.
I'm pardon loss.
The nature of disease is not a planned surgery. This one is not a planned surgery. On SOS place is required.
Page number 19.
Page number 19. ESG report is okay, but when scheduled surgery? Only simple question. Date of appointment of doctors, which one? Nothing is on record. ESG report is not enough.
Page
No.
number 14.
Page number?
14. Type copy of 15 minutes.
But where is date?
21st March. 20.
Which date for the surgery?
It's not mentioned yours, but there is a general ground.
Which date? Then endless saga, extension, further extension, further extension.
But keep on resting yours. Otherwise, 2 more on them. I mean, very fine.
Keep it tomorrow. Yes, so tomorrow.
Bless. 2 more. Bless.
Cinema 55, 14%. Only Suraj that can I mention. But yes, no. For various purpose was earlier it was there. The what an issue notice. How we able to trace? I request for listing only for recording the purpose. No, number of. I will inform the advocate also.
In chamber will record.
There are
ये तो वक्त इतने willingness है जैसा टेम करवाने now so हमारा पूरा थे जंतु ने लांबो नहीं
1150 party
55
please watch. This is order applicant.
yes
302. This is directly to the trial court में guarantee लगता है. पीछे की कोर्ट में गया तो नहीं गया क्या है ऑर्डर
okay
સાહેબ હું જે જે કલાસનો માં ભાઈએ મૂકી પેલો નહીં આપતા મમ્મીના આવતા મહિના ઓપરેશન સાહેબ કરવાનું છે એના કારણ તમે દેખ્યું સાહેબ નહીં
ક્યારે કરવાની છે
આવતા મહિને સન્માન ખાલી
નીચે ગયા હતા એનો ઓર્ડર ક્યાં છે નીચેની કોર્ટનો
એ સાહેબ
અને એપ્રુવ છે કે તમે એપ્રુવ
નીચેની કોર્ટમાં અંદર
ક્યાં છે પણ અરજી કાગળ મૂકો ને એવું બેન નીચેની કોર્ટમાં ગયા હતા એવું
નેક્સ્ટ વીક રાખો કોઈને કહું છું તો લીગલી બધી
મૂકી હતી સર એના કારણે
ક્યાં છે પણ કાગળ જોઈએ બેન કઈ વાંધો નહીં તમને વકીલ આપીએ
આમને કોઈ મદદ સેવા બી ખાસ આ કે નીચેની કોર્ટમાં ગયા છે
2 મહિના પહેલા
પેપર્સ નથી એમના તો હોય તો ક્યારે રાખો
નેક્સ્ટ વીક રાખો 15 કે 17 રાખો
yes simply simple SO2 करूं तो
simple
Dilemma 56.
11th June. Serial number 56. Yes.
Yes, Lordship, is temporary bail on the ground that the daughter of the present applicant is getting married on 25th June. 25th June, daughter of the applicant is getting married. Lordship, we have not approached the trial court, directly come to the High Court, Lordship.
So go.
Yes, Lordship. I'll withdraw with the Lordship with the liberty that I can.
Seek permission to withdraw to approach the trial court. Permission is granted.
Oblige.
Yes.
Dilemma 57. 14 person. Someone faculty by any from KD. Yes.
Yes. બોલો.
This is on the ground of Dada expired DL 70 વર્ષના 20/5 ત્રણે. They approach the trial court also મારો.
20/5
હા. અને 1/16 પર decide.
છોડ્યા નથી.
This can be
એ ઓર્ડર મેં એમ કન્સિડર કર્યું છે
This
સાહેબ.
can be considered 400.
Families. 10 દિવસ.
Thank you. Dilemma 58. Depends with the
Own medical treatment, Lordship. I have a
Where is medical treatment for what?
medical treatment. I am a possibility to detect the prostate cancer. Page number 17 and 18.
Page number?
Page number 17 and 18 are the reports of the civil hospital.
Just
In my family hereditary also, my father and uncle are expired due to the prostate cancer. My son is detected the cancer in an early age. So my entire family is.
When surgery is scheduled?
It is not for a.
28 last paragraph.
Page 28.
CBI is the party.
But I have also saw the copy also.
And બીજું સાહેબ last paragraph. It's not required. Am I talking about Roman 2?
Yes.
Directed to take all steps to medical aids, provide proper medical treatment in case of necessity, submit a degree report to this court as regarding treatment imparted to applicant and no less shall be shown in compliance with the direction given by the Gujarat High Court in 2022 ABC. On 3/5, the direction 3/5 the side કાઢી નાખી.
Because on that time, the possibility of cancer was not detected. After that, the possibility of cancer is detected. Even offense is under section
available, sir, in the MP Shah Cancer Hospital.
Yes, even a
base cancer
offense is,
hospital.
Lordship, offense is under the Prevention of Corruption Act, Lordship. Offense is, the CBI is there, but offense is under Prevention of Corruption Act.
PC Act is not.
No, I am a private person. Lordship. I am a private person.
Sir, no, case is better. Sorry, sir.
Lordship. Then I am withdraw.
Withdraw? Okay. Seek permission to withdraw. Permission is granted.
Number 59 is verification.
Yeah.
I'm
Both? Yes. What is the last release?
My lords, we see the latest ground may be seen medical latest certificate, my lords. Wife's angiography is required. Certificate I have tendered, my lords, to my.
Angiography on which date? On which date? Angiography is a time, couple of hours.
Yes, my lords, may
Not
angiography.
more than half day.
Husband.
Which date? Which date? I am going to release for half day. Which date?
I will come with the. At present, my lords, doctor advised certificate may be seen. Husband
No
is in
case is
jail.
made out as earlier price release.
My lords, husband in a jail, my lords, sir. His presence is required, my lords, sir.
Not required. Even relatives are not allowed in the
Not
operation
allowed,
theater
but
and
for arrangement.
even
of-
the side area also.
For arrangement of medical expenses, my lords.
My card is also there, ma'am.
Is in
Sorry.
custody
Next.
under sections 420,
No
465.
case is made out. Next.
My
chal.
lord, I will come with the fixed date.
61.
Please.
61.
My lords, earlier matter, my lord, both I may be
61.
permitted to withdraw, my lords.
Number both withdraw. Permission is granted.
My lord, sir, here, my lord, sir.
Ground for extension.
Yes, my lord, sir. He has approved Learned Sessions Court for his own examinations, my lord. Learned Sessions Court has granted 25th May to 30 May, my lords. I have annexed the order, my lords.
Go before the Sessions Court for extension.
Only for a moment, for a moment, my lords. May see the page number 19 and 21, my lords.
19.
Yes, page number 19 and 21, my lords. He has cleared the GPSC account officer class 1 examinations, my lords. Now, my lords, main exams for preparations of main exam, my lords, as well as he has also cleared the examinations of GPSC class 1, 2, prelim, my lords. Both examinations he has already cleared, my lords. For now, main exam, my lords, for preparations.
When main examination is?
My lords, tentatively it's August, and my lords, another, my lords, he has also applied for UPSC. For a moment, let me complete, my lords. Then, honorable, let me complete.
It's the best place for the preparation. But best place for the preparation. He may use
only one sentence, my lords. He has
no
applied
extension, no cases
in
without
PIPA also, my lords. Only 2 minutes may be given thereafter.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
My lords, may
No
CG.
ground. It's ended saga. Up to September, we have to extend. Up to September, we have to extend one by one step. No.
My lords, the next examinations prelim, it is
on particular date, you may come up.
Yes.
Prior to 1 week,
I'm
10 days, you may come.
I'm coming on that part.
No,
but
no,
before
not
that,
that,
my lords, my lords.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Date
Next.
examination, it is also UPSC 2nd July, my lords.
2nd July, sufficient time is there. Yes.
But in jail, my lords,
it's a
yes,
best place.
he has
for
also
preparation.
applied in SPIPA, my lords.
Numbers of people. Yes. Next.
My lords, today he has to surrender, my lord. Therefore,
Yes, surrender. He has to surrender. Yeah, he has to wait. He has to file as early as possible.
Very well.
Yes.
The applicant is in jail since 20 years. He is in jail since 20 years, my lord. He is seeking extension.
When he was last released?
Lordship, he was granted 30 days and it was extended by 15 days, my lord.
What was the reason?
For the purpose of house repairing, my lord. My lord, he has a...
You have repaired or not?
Lordship, he has almost completed only 10% of the repair work remains, my lord.
Complete
And
7
he
days.
has a...
7 days. No further extension.
Obliged, my lord.
With clear riders. No further extensions. Sir.
Please, my lord, please.
Last chance.
Please.
withdraw, my lord, instead of
Which one?
earlier.
Earlier. 61? Permission.
Please.
Please, Lordship. Seeking of extension of parole leave, Lordship. Undergone period 16 years and 3 months, Lordship. Every time he has surrendered in time, Lordship.
Yes, exactly.
Applicant is 62 years, Lordship. On the grounds, agriculture and get admission of his daughter, Lordship.
How many days?
30 days.
Enough time is.
Lordship, daughter admission, Lordship.
When?
Marksheet is annexure 6, Lordship.
Annexure?
Annexure 6, Lordship. Marksheet, Lordship. Admission purpose, Lordship. Page number 6, Lordship.
Page number 6?
Yes, Lordship. Page number 6, marksheet. Academic examination result, Lordship.
It's open schooling.
Yes,
Now
Lordship.
question of admission for what? Open schooling, my friend.
Lordship.
No, open school.
Admission and agriculture
No
purpose
cases
also,
made out.
Lordship.
No, sorry, sir. Open school study. No cases made out. Yes, please. For extension. Sorry, sir.
Permitted to withdraw, Lordship.
Withdraw. Permission.
Yes.
No problem.
1164, Mr. PD Parmas.
PD Parmar, yes. Extension.
Yes.
For what?
Only now make it at service May. Not the year you go to surrender 27. Day before yesterday.
Why you have not surrendered?
Lordship, matter may be kept here today, Lordship, for operation of certificate, Lordship. That time, Lordship says, first you obtain certificate, then after matter may be.
Surgery. Schedule.
Replacement surgery is. Therefore, my matter is kept.
No.
Lordship.
You are just a discharge card.
Yes, Lordship. That it is mention is knee replacement is there. On 24th, knee replacement is done, Lordship.
Done.
Yes.
Today.
Today.
Today he has to discharge in hospital, Lordship.
Discharge.
Sir, આજે એને રજા આપશે He is in admitted in hospital, SSG hospital.
3-4 days maybe.
He is operated on 24.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, 15 days may be considered.
1 week.
But Lordship, he age about 67 years old, Lordship.
Considering the medical grounds. Yes, he's recently operated.
Operated.
Yes.
Number 65.
Lordship, he is seeking extension, my lord. He is in jail since 15 years.
Ground, sir.
Ground is, my lord, he was granted for attending the divorce proceeding filed by his wife. His wife has deserted a 7-year-old daughter and filed for divorce, my lord. The date of family court
You are
was
released for how
I
many?
was released for 7 days. Lordship, since 1 month he is out.
What
my
you
lord.
have done during the 1 month?
Yes, my lord, please. His date was 27th of April. 27th of April. Yes. However, he was released on 29th or 30th after the date of his matter. He tried to contact his wife to settle, but he could not contact. In the meanwhile, his brother-in-law, Jijaji Sahib Sagga Jijaji Gujri gaya. Therefore, extension was granted twice.
1 week. Once again.
Lordship, I am requesting only 11 days, my lord, because date of family court is 7th of
10 days.
11 days.
10 days.
Oblige, my lord.
No further action.
Please, oblige, my lord.
Next.
Number 66. Full jail. This is for filing appeal by a private advocate. 1 year and 6 months undergone. 302. I can present.
Last release. 7 days.
Number 67. Full jail. Same reason of filing appeal. 1 month is under.
Last date of arrest and last release.
1 month, 5 months total years undergone out of 4 years.
Only 5 months?
Yes, 5 months. 4 years conviction of also. Then 354.
No case is made out.
Okay.
फिलहाल तो वर्ष चाहिए, what वर्ष चाहिए?
Number 68 full jail to provide financial assistance to family is the reason. He was not released because of two applications were withdrawn. In October 2022, he was released for 110 days for filing appeal. October 2022.
7 days for financial assistance for his family.
Number 69 full jail to file appeal before becoming able to engage in private advocacy. 7 years, 7 months he has undergone out of 20 years. Then he was not released.
1 week. 1 week.
1170 full jail. Financial assistance to the family is 1 year and 10 months. In October for 40 days.
No cases made.
1170 was full jail. Mother's medical treatment or earlier when he was released, he is responded for 20 years.
Considering the past conduct, he is not inclined. Refuse. Considering the past conduct.
72 full jail. Medical full administration. He was responded when he was vastly unsafe.
Considering the past conduct. Considering the past conduct. Refuse.
It was 73 full jail.
No cases made out.
Mother safety and dad. 1 year he has undergone out of because 2 years commission.
10 days. Case is made out for the medical treatment of mother.
Number 74 to jail. 74 to 77. 40 to 5 appeal because he was never.
74 to?
74 to 77.
Yes.
4 reasons are 10 to 5 appeal. Conviction is under 302. 376 so 28 convictions. Yes, he has never been.
Never released.
Never.
And he is since 2020. 2020.
2 years and he came out. Clear here.
10 days. In second, 75.
75 because reason is
No, since long he is in jail.
he's in 4 years and he never released.
Never released. Yes, same 10 days. Next, 76.
76 months of reason is
Never release.
11 months he was never 11 months then they are undergo 20 years also undergo.
10 days, no problem.
77.
77.
77 years undergo 2 years and 1 month. 376 and also are the
Never release. Never release. Reason?
reason we don't say to find the appeal by taking private.
This is made out for 10 days. Yes, since long in jail level of job. He never released earlier. Ye chare charo. Never released earlier. Since long he is in jail.
78 to jail.
Yes, is made out.
Later it will financial assistance in family, but when he was releasing
77.
77.
Yes.
But when he was released, he was by the jail already in August. 58 days after police, he was report. Under the circumstances.
Completed. Now 78. No case is made out considering the past conduct. Yes, earlier he was released by the jail authority, but he remained absconder and he has not reported within stipulated time.
79 through jail. So filed appeal before reasonable court, never released. 2 years and 6 months years undergo. 10 years.
2 years. 10 days. Long. Since long he is not released, first time.
Number 18 to jail. Reason is saying to engage a private advocate to filing appeal. 4 months, 6 years and 1 month years undergo. After conviction, 4 months.
Never released.
Never.
But he is hailing from? He belongs to?
He is below life imprisonment.
But state, out of state? ये तो कोई लखिया पी हुआ है ना जेल में
Pali Rajasthan, Jamindari private benefit. They did an application. The website below part of the mentioned Jamindar Rajasthan.
But offense
Under POCSO,
registered with the Selvas police station.
394, 364 days. Life imprisonment. Undergone 364. Never released.
What about his?
Appears to be both
List for 10 days. He has to mark his prison twice in a week before the nearest police station.
It is regarding extension of paroling. He has completed more than 24 years. Difficulty is that he wants to take the admission of his daughter, who is in the college, Lordship. And
here is April 20 days, then May 7 days, and out of June you give to third.
Third he has to Lordship, long incarceration and Lordship aged about 67 years. He has to arrange for the fees. Last year.
1 week. Further extended.
Please.
No further extension.
Please, I am obliged.
For manage the school fees of her daughter, his daughter.
Number 18 program.
Please, Lord. Here application for parole.
In March, he was for 15 days.
But his wife is suffering from so many problems. Left side with difficult to speech.
What is the reason?
Wife is suffering from.
Last is date of release.
March 2023 for 15 days.
But he is jail since more than 14 years, Lord.
He is not a ground man.
But wife is suffering from
Paralysis.
paralysis.
Criteria.
paralysis, no.
Are you inviting the reason order?
No,
I am ready to pass reason order for all.
No, Lord.
પછી એક પણ મંજૂર નહીં થાય.
Lord,
So
no.
what is the criteria?
Lord,
Please.
permitted
This
to
is not a case.
Permitted to withdraw.
Permitted to withdraw. Sorry.
Okay, Baba.
Yes.
May I request for pass over for a moment?
Yes.
Habeas corpus matter where the girl is taken away from the custody of their parents, and against which the Janwa Jog entry has been made, where the girl had made a statement that I willfully went with the respondent, the boy. But yes, but there is a catch, Lordship. After 3 to 4 days, I got a telephone call from an unknown number, whereby she narrated the entire incident, that I have been taken forcefully and I was forced to make a false statement with police station. That is what. No,
This is not a case for habeas corpus.
But I got telephone call from the corpus indeed.
No case is made out, sir. Even not for the notice also.
But I've called for the Janwa Jog entry as well, but the police
Question of the illegal detention doesn't arise.
Okay,
The appropriate proceedings before the court.
Please, Lordship.
File the appropriate proceedings for that.
Please, I may withdraw this if.
Unnamed advocate seeks the permission to withdraw. Stand dispose of as withdrawn. Yes.
I may be permitted to circulate one temporary bail, my lord. My lord had granted a first, my lord. You get my lord CC and type copy dispense with, my lord. Because it is regarding direction, I had already been granted, my lord, by court.
No problem.
Materials number 64, we extended up to 1 week, but up to 6 or 7 extended. He is himself is knee replacement. Post-operative treatment is.
Post-operative treatment only for 7 days. Even he is operated on 24th. 1 week already passed.
6 or 7.
It was a not case, even though I have extended. Not a case. Prior to 7 days, he has operated.
Parole application.
Follow up already over. He is discharged on 24th.
Sir,
kindly go through the certificate.
Please,
Small request, Lord. I may withdraw this with liberty to revive if in case of difficulty.
Revocation doesn't arise for the illegal detention, sir. You may file on based on the fresh cause of action.
Sir, કાલે મારો
We take a
45મો વારો છે. સાહેબ કાલે મારો 45મો વારો હતો. તમે બીજી અરજી કરવાનું કીધું હતું. અને આ નંબર પરમિશન આપો.
સાહેબ હું સુરેન્દ્રનગર થી આવું છું, મારે પરમિશન નું ફોર્મ જોઈશે.
પડી ગયો નામ આવી જતો થઈ જશે.
May I have a good question?
Yes.
I have filed one anticipatory bail on a Friday. The order was passed on 22nd by the Justice Court. The frequent is saying that unless your lordship permit, it will not be circulated in this week. Because still
already is departed.
Okay. If not, then I will mention again after.
I may be permitted to circulate one parole application on the ground of preferring appeal, my lord. Since 2.5 years, he is behind bar, my lord. For the first time, he wanted to. Tomorrow or day after.
Or not?
I have filed it, my lord. Day after tomorrow. Much obliged. Convict prisoner.
પેલા વકીલ સાહેબ તમને મદદ કરશે, થોડી વાર બેસો આવશે. સિલમ 86
Syllabus 86.
Yes, file seek note.
Seek note. 8 June. Seek notice.
Syllabus 87, Mr. Weber, and
87 and 88. For difficulty, suit he failed. Appeal withdrawn in the month of March. Now, in a private dispute, two FIRs registered against me. We are in possession since decades. I filed a petition before this honorable court for seeking a prayer that police may not interfere. Page 22 is the memo of that. But the honorable court was of the view that instead of this, you should file quashing petitions challenging those two FIRs against you.
20th.
Notice, Lordship. Lord, problem is this. Lord, the moment I move out, suppose I go for an anticipatory bail, which I have not yet. Lord, they want possession somehow. My FIR my application to the police is much prior in point of time. I am only
permissible.
I am only requesting this.
By using the police machinery.
Yes, sir, I'm
is with you.
Sir, I am obliged to the honorable court. Police machinery use करीन सामे वाला possession ले.
These are judgments of
सर मैं petition करी judgment. साहब एक मिनट तो आपको. साहब petition करी एमा judgment बतायु नामदार कोर्ट ने सोमवारे जती गया. The honorable court said that not this petition, you go for quashing. ये तरफ में quashing
बीजा restore your possession.
Possession में तो छूट.
Your case is even you are evict.
No, I am in possession. Sir, I am requesting that in such offences charge sheet may not be filed without the permission.
Situation, sir.
साहब आपनी permission वगैरह charge sheet ना करे. आमा साहब police नहीं तो charge sheet करेले वधारे तकलीफ ऊभी થાય. કારણ કે private dispute में हारी गयो. By hook or crook, without Lord, he succeeded only qua the ownership.
Go before the regular court and please make the request for the pre-court.
Sir, difficulties કે સાહેબ પછી આ linger થાય છે. Therefore, today I have an opportunity to request that charge sheet may not be filed.
Statutory function or duty, how I can restrict it?
But charge sheet without your lordship's permission may not be filed. But there are various orders being passed.
Investigation or the filing of charge sheet is not permissible even otherwise. Next time.
Then lordships are permit. Lord, may I request some shorter date notice returnable? મારી તકલીફ છે એટલે આ મેટર પૂરતું. First week of
after is very difficult, sir.
Then 12th if possible. 12. May I request for direct service?
DS permitted.
Please allow.
No problem.
Grateful to the honorable. In both matters, 87, 88.
12, DS permitted.
Please allow. Grateful to the honorable.
Number 89. 50 sharp.
Yes.
Please.
This petitioner is behind the bar since more than 20 years. He was
last release, sir.
Last release in month of March to April, 30 days.
He was taken on 25th of May to the civil hospital. He has not given any certificate, but he was taken out the MRI certificate of a spinal. That is what, because all the original certificate
diagnosed in MRI.
All are with the civil authority. I cannot have.
What is in report?
This is not report. This is the certificate.
MRI, what is the outcome of MRI?
We have not received. We have not received minutes. That is with lying with the civil hospital. આ તો સાહેબ અમને દવા આપી છે એનું પ્રિસ્ક્રિપ્શન અને એમઆરઆઈ કરાવી છે એનું બિલ બીજું કઈ જ નથી સાહેબ ફર્સ્ટ ટુ પેજ સાહેબ એ જૂના સર્ટિફિકેટો છે ધીસ ઇઝ ફર્સ્ટ ટુ પેજ ઓફ સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલ
Outcome is not mentioned.
Because
MRI is not
because we don't have Millards. It is lying in the civil hospital. Otherwise, Millards, I cannot make any wrong statement. Like I said, certificate हमने नहीं मल्ली तो.
What is the purpose?
The purpose is Millards. He was undergone Millards the MRI. Plus now he wants a private treatment. Millards. That is what my limited period before my lords. He has undergone more than 20 years, Millards. My lords, my Perus is jail record, Millards.
MRI is only the test.
Yes,
the test is normal.
After that, Millards, we came to know
what is abnormal. Patient doesn't arise to enlarge.
But Millards, when I don't have Millards the MRI report, how can I Millards suggest what illness he has undergone, Millards? Millards, he has undergone more than 20 years, Millards. My limited period is Millards. If some days, Millards, he will take care before the private hospital, Millards. This is my limited period, Millards. Millards, my Paris, my jail record as well, Millards.
10 days for medical treatment. Then produce a world.
As and when I have, because it is lying with the civil hospital.
The police authority. Judicial authority. Otherwise, you have to face.
Because if I don't have, how can I rely?
Yet not this juncture, but in future.
My lord is.
No, 10 days.
Oblige, my lords. May I request, my lords, the order may be, my lords, communicated to jail authority. My lords.
It's a routine.
Direct service, my lords.
It's a routine.
Oblige, my lords. Oblige, my lords.
Thank you.
Lordship.
On 24 he was.
Surrender, but Lordship, on 24th, he was shown to the kidney.
You have surrendered
doctor.
or not?
No, Lordship, Lordship, for a moment.
File, after surrender, file the case.
Lordship,
No,
my
please wait out.
Lordship,
Not surrender witness.
Lordship, my limit, my respectful submission, I am
Sorry,
requesting
sir.
up to 5th. His treatment is
7
going.
days passed then.
Lordship, but Lordship, his
You have
treatment.
enjoyed unofficially.
No,
7
Lordship, his treatment is going on. He himself is behind bar for more than 12 years. I can understand, Lordship.
He is not.
No, I am not inviting reason order, Lordship. I am not in the but for a moment, Lordship.
Sorry, sir.
Regarding
Please
his
not
own
practice. I
Lordship,
have not entertained any petition.
I understand, Lordship, but looking to the facts and circumstances regarding his own sickness, law
And rules for the law-abiding citizens.
I can understand, but Lordship, in the medical
No,
ground,
no, sorry, sir.
then in
Not for a one day, not for a single day.
then I will
Why you have not come within time?
then not because he was going to treatment
you
and he was to surrender. But the doctor has advised that you have to take the treatment and then you surrender.
Yes, sorry.
Because on same, I am not inviting it reason only.
Withdraw.
Withdraw.
Then I request permission to withdraw. Stand dispose of this.
Yes, Lordship. Parallelly on the ground of applicant's wife's medical treatment is required.
Ailment for what?
She is suffering from gynec problem. Page number 17 may kindly be seen. Doctor advice refer to anesthesia for hysteroscopy, DNC and polypectomy. Completed more than 17 years in jail. Earlier,
made out recently his release on
Lordship, earlier on the same ground, applicant has prepared extension.
Same ground, twice you are released.
Lordship,
Same ground you are released twice.
Please, Lordship, permit me to withdraw.
Withdraw. Learned advocate seek permission to withdraw. Twice you release and you have not taken the ailment. No, please.
Obliged.
1192. DJ Prajapati.
Lordship, filing appeal. Present applicant undergone 3 and a half.
Last release, sir.
Not released. Earlier, I also appeared in this matter for filing appeal.
No, last release.
Never released.
Not
Lordship.
10 days.
Lordship, 15 days for filing appeal.
7.
Sure.
Uniformity. 10 days. Your legal aid is there. This ground legal aid is also there.
Yes, yes, sir. Sorry.
You are entitled or not for legal aid. This is not a ground to entertain the petition. Even we are going, please.
1193. DJ Prajapati.
Lordship, his NRI case, he's undergone 4.5 years, Lordship.
4.5 years.
Two time he released. One time he filed a for police data and second time filed a. Last 2.5 years he never released. His son recently.
Last release.
2.5 years, Lordship.
2.5 years.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is the reason?
His son SSC examination completed and he also get admission in good school for further study, Lordship. And he also surrendered one time, Lordship.
For education purpose of his son. 10 days.
Obey, Lordship.
Yes.
1192. Please.
I am appealing for the complaint, my lord. I am for the applicant, your lordship. I am for the applicant, my lord. I am requesting the medal will be kept tomorrow. I have not received the application, my lord. I have only received the rate. So I don't know what
I will supply. Since it was atrocity case, notice was issued. I will supply him a copy.
Page 25, my lord, 5 brothers and 1 sister. The elder must further as
Trial court granted. Lordship, day after tomorrow. If I will, by that time I will supply the copy. If he wants to file, then
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. First.
Please.
First is coming.
Yes, any day. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whenever my lord.
He see day after tomorrow. Yes.
Public.
May I put it?
No.
1195. SB from birth.
Yes, sir.
Repeated application in the year 21. Very same informant. This applicant has made the application before the same police station.
Here I am for the original complaint. I am only requesting.
No, he has no locus, Lordship. I am sorry.
Just.
I have received instruction today, sir. I am requesting. I may give a short reply in this matter. So I may take appropriate instruction in this matter. My loss may keep it up to 2 days also. I have no issue.
No, may I submit, Lordship?
Just. This application, to what direction? For what direction?
What the directions to the authority, Lordship, because Lordship, the factual aspect is that.
What direction, sir?
Direction is that, Lordship, at least, Lordship, they may not take my earlier statements were recorded in the year 21, Lordship. Again, they are calling me in the year 23, another application. Prior to that, before seat, Lordship, they made the complaint. 15 days regularly, all the petitioner remain present. Anticipatory bail is also granted. And in that also, I annexed the order, Lordship, you can see the order passed by the Honorable Sessions Court. It is on page 15, Lordships. Thereafter, same application 23 without any other reason, same application to the same police station, Lordships. And now we are called, Lordships. So, Lordships, this is the recovery of the amount to the recovery process. Is this forum may not be used for the recovery, Lordships. So, police machinery, Lordships, the informant is trying to use this. The factual aspect is that petitioner number 1 is running dairy, Lordships, and in which he is supplying the milk, Lordships, to the
petitioner was protected for 1 week.
Pardon?
For 1 week, he was protected.
In Sessions Court order? No?
By Sessions.
Yes. This is not that application.
Then complaint is registered or not?
No complaint is yet registered, Lordships. Before first, that's why, Lordships, this is a serious case.
Complaint is registered or not?
No, Lordships. No. That's why, Lordships, this is a serious thing. First, in the 2021, similar same police station, the applicant has lodged the applications to take the action. We have appeared, all the petitioner appeared, statements were recorded. Lordship, is it number I have mentioned, Lordship, because we have not provided the applications, but the number we have mentioned the number in which our statements were recorded. Again, Lordship, before 22.
Appearing for complaint is registered or not?
FIR is not registered.
What is the reason to call the petitioner time and again?
Already conveyed that.
No, time and again, why you are calling?
No, I said that let once come, they unnecessarily will not call me.
That's why on page 14, at least my Lordship can see. Page 14. Seat has Lordships of this. I'm sorry.
Page 14.
14.
Yes.
Seat Lordships, the complaint, the application is before the seat Lordships. Seat has called Lordships and 13 days Lordships, they compelled to sit from 11 to 5. Therefore, we have approached the Honorable Sessions Court. And
you remain present or not before seat?
Yes, Lordships. 13 days, Lordships.
Just a minute. What's your instruction?
My instruction is that unnecessary will not harass and not query. The FIR registration is different matter.
That observations may be made, Lordship, and earlier statements which recorded, Lordship, the police can, same police station, the police can use that statement.
No, this presence is no longer required.
Once he comes, it's fine.
We will go, Lordship. Yesterday only we went, Lordships. Again, if they call Lordships, then at least Lordship 41 compliance may be there, Lordships. 41A compliance is there, Lordships. At least some notice may be issued. And even if some adverse action, if they want to take, at least some reasonable 15 days time, they may grant us, Lordships, so that at least we can use our available remedy.
Propose the proceedings under which section you are intended to register?
For appropriate, it apply. Absolutely.
Recovery amount, Lordships, 22 lakhs, Lordships, they mentioned milk supply. We have not supplied him to the milk because only Ahmedabad district from Dehgaam, they are supplying already milk, Lordships. He is make the some inappropriation in the account. That's why we have stopped it.
I may also bring the application which we have filed earlier and the subsequent application we have filed, so
There
that
is
it will
no
be
problem.
appropriate for this.
Complaint under no local Lordships.
I am only just to
Question
assist
is
this
doesn't
court.
arise, but there is
With a
no
view to-
prejudice to at all.
With a view to assist this.
There is no
court.
prejudice to at all.
Because
Always,
Please.
complainant is interested to see accused behind bar. Always.
I am
Present taxes,
on the-
that's why. This present taxes.
Nothing new.
I am only on the
Nothing new. Yes, exactly.
Many people, madam.
You may take appropriate recourse.
No criminal
When
antecedent is
law-
there, Lordships.
complaint is not registered. And when it's filed, you
And
know,
typically,
oppose again.
every year. Before
Unnecessary harassment is not permissible under the law. No. Everyone has a rights. Learned EPP, Mr. Jakesha appeared for the respondent head by learned advocate, Mr. FB Brahmbhatt appeared for the petitioner. Having heard the learned advocates for the party, learned EPP has submitted that offense yet to be registered, then petitioner will not harass unnecessary by the police authority. In view of above, no further proceedings. No further cause remains. However, in case of offense is registered against the present petitioner at that event, police authority / investigation officer has to scrupulously follow the direction, mandatory provision of section 41, capital A of CRPC and dictum of Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Anish Kumar versus State of Bihar reported in 2014, SCC volume 8, page 273. With aforesaid direction.
No, sir, and not
petitioner
if
shall
even
dispose of.
and 15 days time may be granted to the
No,
petitioner. Otherwise,
discretion of IO, not mine.
no, that's why ultimately
Discretion of IO.
that in a minute.
It is mentioned in the Anish Kumar.
Unless but at least no repeated application is pending.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Lordship may kindly see
Not the same scope of petition.
and Sessions Court even at the end
I am
before
kind
seat,
enough to protect you.
before
Up
seat,
to some extent.
my lords may kindly see page 17 at
Not omni relief, sir. Sorry.
because I am already
No, omni
released.
relief. Sorry, sir.
Lordship may kindly please to appreciate 17 page 17 of Sessions Court in similar applicant same applicant is there. 10 days time, 7 days time is
Across the
granted.
session squad. I have not restricted you.
No, but in
I
case
am not
of
restricted.
ultimately by calling me at the police station, lordships, they may ask me company to sit down with them. They may ask me where I go.
Magistrate is also there. Even you are wrongly arrested,
My lord.
our magistrate is also there.
After registering offense, if the police may come call me for the recording the
Sir,
statement 41A.
Para 7.
Please, your lordships.
Para 7. Go through para 7 of the next.
Please, your lordships.
Please, I am not.
Obliged. Direct sir Smith.
Yes,
Obliged. We will go again, lordship, but police is
permissible up to that action is so,
my lord.
but not.
Please, your lordships. Obliged, my lord.
Given the scope is there.
Pilots may kindly say direct service so that at least.
Yes, sir.
Milords, very briefly, Milords, the matter
Yes,
is, Milords,
matter is-
this wise. Milords, it is for permission to travel abroad. Milord, what had happened was CBI cases, Milord, 2 CBI cases and 1 ED case is pending against the petitioner.
Permission to travel.
Travel abroad. Today, Milords, I am requesting my CA may be taken up. What has happened is, Milord, there are 2 CBI trials and 1 ED trial pending. Now, Milords, in this CBI trial, this Honorable High Court granted me permission to travel for 1 week in the month of May, as well as in the month of March and April. Now, Milords, in April, when I go to the airport, the immigration department tells me there is a lookout circular issued at the instance of Bank of Baroda. And I was not permitted to travel abroad in spite of the fact that there is an order by this Honorable High Court, Milords, at page number 150, permitting me to travel abroad. And even the PMLA court has
issue. Who is appearing for? You are opposing.
CBI. I am for the CBI.
You are opposing.
Not Bank of Baroda people should be not heard.
Milord, I have served them.
Issued.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Lookout
LOC
notice
issued
issued
by the
when?
Bank of Baroda.
Prior to this order or subsequent this order?
150.
152 orders or then subsequently issued? Lookout notice when issued?
Lookout notice is not, I think, annexed.
Milords, they do not supply. I've made a government.
When issued?
It is issued way prior. Prior. Yes, Milords. It is issued. It has to be because, Milords, what has happened is default with Bank of Baroda happened in the year 2013, and then Bank of Baroda has filed a CBI complaint in 2016, which I have annexed with my petition.
Bureau of Immigration, not who would suspend them, not LOC. Not. That is the Union of India. Not. But Union of India is required to be heard.
Heard, yes.
No, may I,
So far, lookout notices.
May I-
Learned.
Mr. Shitty
Yes,
Zamin appears, Milord, he has filed his VP. Milords, may I show this wise? This honorable court has.
ASG appear.
No, Milords, Shitty Zamin appears.
Yeah.
Mr. Amin.
This one number 5.
No, for Union of India.
Mr. Amin appears.
Mr. Amin.
Yes, for Union of India.
Mitesh Amin.
Yes.
Shitty Amin.
Shitty Zamin.
Shitty.
May I show, Milords, several Milords orders have been passed in similar facts and circumstances. May I show this case? Para 2, Milords, details of CBI cases pending were recorded. Para 2.3.
Discretion, no problem. Merits is
Milords, not merits. Simply, Milords, noting that.
served, when notice is served.
Yes, Milords.
Union of India.
Milords, it is served. Milords, in fact, on the previous occasion, Mr. Amin was present. Last week, the matter was there. Mr. Amin
His
was
appearance
present.
on record.
Yes, Milords, he has waived notice. He has waived notice as per the previous order.
Then is not.
As per the previous order, he has waived notice for 1, 2, and 3.
Direct service is permitted in addition to regular mode of service. Correspondent number 426.
And for 1, 2, 3, Mr. Amin, Union of India, Bureau of Immigration.
Waive is not.
He has waived.
Okay. Notice returnable 30th May. Mr. Kshitij Amin, London Advocate, waive service for the respondent number 1, 3, and 3.
In fact,
who is appearing for 426? 426.
For Mr. State of Gujarat is 4, 5 is CBI. My senior friend.
Service record is not. Service not is here. Order sheet. Aryan. Service. Nothing. 1 થી 3 ને 4 થી 6. Nothing. Answered. Answered.
No, my lords. Endorsement is that they have been served.
There is nothing is on record.
Yes, my lords. I have in fact filed the DS affidavit also. May I just pass on the DS affidavit regarding 5 and 6? My lord, endorsement is also there. And advance copy was served.
Service is awaited.
Direct, my lord, direct service has been done by me.
DS is service is awaited. Lip. Yes, okay.
But my lords, may I request this wise? My lords, I have served them directly. Liberty was given to serve directly.
Not on record. Service is awaited.
The service affidavit, my lords.
Please.
Because I filed it yesterday. It has come. Endorsement.
Regular court.
Lordship, may kindly, my lords, appreciate, my lords. Today, this person is not able to travel in spite of order of this honorable court, my lords.
On 5th, sir. Only a couple of days.
In fact, Mr. Meena has contacted me. I have served him advance, my lords. I may say, my lords, he is not appeared deliberately, my lords, to make sure the matter does not proceed further, my lords.
My lord is keeping on
5th. Yes.
Number 97.
Considering the urgency.
Lordship, may kindly record, my lords, that
my address may please be short.
Yes. 97.
Number 97. Yes, this will now work. Last paragraph. This was for termination of pregnancy, my lord. Last paragraph.
For withdraw?
No, let's only the directions which will be left for this honorable court to direct the respondents is to follow the procedure, which is prescribed in the act, as well as the POXO Act. So by that observation, this can be disposed of. So far as termination is concerned, our pregnancy is terminated yesterday. But that keeping the DNA samples and color karvanu aave na the tissues which are to be given to the police for forensic and everything, that is still required. So that can be done.
Last paragraph. પ્રક્રિયા પૂરી કરી ગર્ભપાતના ડીએનએ સારું ગાંધીનગર મોકલવા રવાનગીનો તૈયાર કરી મેડિકલ ઓફિસર ગર્ભપાતને મુજબ નમૂના ડીએનએ પ્રોફાઇલ કરવા સારું ગાંધીનગર મોકલવા તજવીજ કરે છે.
કરે છે તો એ તો મેન્ડેટરી છે. એને નહીં કરે તો કઈ નહીં જવાબ.
પાછળ નહીં જોયું મેં.
છે ને છે.
But
જોડે રહી જોડે. આટલો paragraph.
then that now that compensation part is so that
independently
because she is minor and therefore
stand dispose of withdraw.
Disposed of as infructuous.
Learned ABP. Ditisha learned advocate Sudhanshu Jha for the petitioners. The present petition was filed by the petitioner for under Section 3 of Medical Termination of Pregnancy into Amendment Act 2021, seeking the direction pursuant to the order passed by this court dated 25th May 2023. Report is submitted by Police Inspector Palanpur Simply into bracket East Police Station. Yes, under this line. . Witness is aborted and necessary action. An order is complied. The report submitted by police inspector is taken dated 30th May 2023 is taken on record. In view of above, yes, matter become infectious.
Please. It's only that
Better can dispose of.
yes, that liberty to pursue for other benefits, whatever is
They are not necessary.
Yes.
Suppose it doesn't survive. Your purpose is served now.
yes, right. Main
Purpose
purpose is served.
Can dispose of infectious. Yes.
Serial number 98, Mr. D.K. Trivedi. I'm requesting the bottom of it.
Please, Your Lordship.
98.
I'm requesting the bottom of it.
Yes.
Serial number 100. Arjuna Thakur.
I appeal.
Rule.
So this is anticipatory bail. The offense register is under
Please
306.
appear for the state.
But this is after notice. Before I take your lordship to page 24 where the FIR starts, my lord.
Who is appearing? Have papers report. Husband?
No, my lord, therefore there is some story, my lord. Is interesting, my lord.
Yes, I know.
I am a married person.
Yes.
Having a one child also. The deceased was a divorcee. We both came into the context from last 2-3 years, a very close relationship. According to her, as per this FIR filed by the mother.
Who is this? Sorry, sir. Who is absconder? Yes, warrant under section 17 issued.
There is only one.
Warrant કોની સામે issue લીધું છે?
નામ જો પોતે નામ જુદું છે રિવિઝન પર
70 ના. He is absconder. નથી મળી આવતા દુબઈ.
My anticipatory bail is pending. Notice already issued before vacation.
દુબઈ ગયા.
It rightly seems to be rejected by the lower court.
But report એવો છે 70 હોય તો પછી entertain કરવાનો સવાલ કે આવે છે? Warrant is issued at outside.
Revision is pending.
Revision is pending.
That has been defected, that application of the IO.
Yeah. Yes.
Anticipated.
Are you ready with the matter?
So the petition papers I am not having.
Huh? This is the after notice, before vacation.
But the investigator is present with the police paper.
Are you ready with the matter?
Can we get tomorrow or day after? I'll get a petition paper.
Please submit petition papers.
All right.
When it is convenient.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow or day after.
If it is convenient to him, tomorrow, my lord. Otherwise, because it is for his convenience. It is kept.
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. What's it, please? Hello, may I
Simply
want to
તમારે એફિડેવિટ કે જે કઈ મૂકવો એ મૂકજો. આવું દરેકના રોલ પ્રમાણે. દરેકના રોલ પ્રમાણે. અને વોટ્સએપ ચેટ ઉપર આધાર રાખો છો એવું છે? તમે કલેક્ટ કરી છે વોટ્સએપ ચેટ? યસ, વોટ્સએપ ચેટ એન્ડ ફોટોગ્રાફ્સ ઇન મોબાઈલ. એના ઉપર રિલાય કરો છો તમે?
The relation I have not denied, my
No, it has been collected.
It is a part of investigation.
ये collect करे तब. बराबर बस तो खाली I want to verify.
Well, the lordship may record it that on his request he might. Otherwise, under 7 in revision they will say that I am not proceeding with the anticipatory bail because before 10 days it.
Learned APP Mr. Manan Mehta 6. Time.
You want the copy from me or the?
Time is. He has not received the copy of petition.
I will supply today itself.
Petition is directed to supply the copy of the petitioner. Yes, so forth. So you have said first option, 1st June. 1st June.
On 1st. Please. Oblige.
One 101, 102, and 103.
Both are exempt.
Common order.
These are exempt already.
નહીં આ બધી કોમન જ છે ને
આ કોમન છે સાહેબ. અગાઉ એડમિશન માં પણ 3 મેટર
એટલે 1/6 અને એ પતાઈ ગઈ.
Purport board serial number 1.
એ પણ ફર્સ્ટ માં જ ગઈ ને અગાઉની પણ
જી
એટલે 4 બધા એની જ છે.
આ બધા એની જ છે સર. બધા ઓલ એક્યુઝ પર there are 9 accused persons in the case.
ઓકે કઈ જસ્ટ મિનિટ હજી બાકી રહી ને 9
Posting under domestic violence.
9-8 રહી ને હજી આદમી પૂરી થઈ ગઈ આ બોર્ડ રેગ્યુલર બોર્ડ યસ MP પાઠક
Yes, Mr. Qureshi.
MP પાઠક MP પાઠક આ કઈ છે શું યાર હાજર થયેલ નથી. What is the reason? Okay. As per earlier order passed by this court on 15th May 2023, petitioner has to surrender before the jail authority on 27th May 2023. But he has not reported, he has not surrendered within time. Considering his conduct and no case is made out for further extension of temporary bail in view of dismiss. Next. 50. બીજું છે પાછળથી ગાડી એક તો લેવાની છે ને એબીએસ યસ ચેમ્બર વાળી તો લઈ લઈએ આ પૂરું થાય પછી ચેમ્બરમાં પૂરું થાય એટલે લઈએ ઇન ચેમ્બર એબીએસ લાસ્ટ થઈ જાય.
Please, Lordship. I'm on behalf of Mr. Shakil Qureshi, Lordship. Auto listing board. Auto listing board 2.
Question.
Yes. Under domestic violence, Lordship. I am
Notice
the
written.
present petitioner is the father-in-law and mother-in-law and sister-in-law.
Notice
The husband is not before this. Lordship may grant me stay.
What is returnable 26?
Lordship may kindly the proceeding the on trial court may proceed on 12/6, Lordship. So I am requesting.
What is in proceeding before the trial?
But there are
Only simply adjourn.
then also, Lordship, the father-in-law and
Nine.
mother-in-law. So I am requesting.
Thing is going on. Heaven fall.
Please.
9.
There is no
Obviously, DV
serious
proceedings, nothing
allegations,
is
not
there.
Lordship. So I am
Yes.
requesting.
But
There is allegations against husband only, Lordship.
9. What is returnable? 9.
Please,
9.
please, hi.
Yes. Next. One way. બધું બોલો. No mention.
Sir, આમની accepted behind driving report.
કઈ
બોટમ ઓફ બોર્ડ રાખી છે 98 year.
Sir, the officer આવે મારી પાસે report છે but is coming.
હા 98. Yes. Forward. 98.
સાહેબ I may be in that case protected. સાહેબ ક્યારનો હું આમ સાહેબ
કેમ કે orally કીધું તમે કઈ પછી થયું હતું કે
ના પછી નથી થયું.
તો મંડે રાખો છે કશું નહીં થાય. It's me captain મંડે.
Lordship, it is a very short
Yes,
point
sir.
involved. Without complaint, I'm already called 6 times. 5 times I have remained present there. Jab 10 દિવસમાં રૂપિયા ભરો નીકળ arrest કરી છે એ બધું, and then an affidavit is also filed, Your Lordship, because of the directions of Honorable Court. I have filed an affidavit also. The affidavit speaks for itself.
Takes a chance આવે મંડે કે ટ્યુઝડે. મારા લર્નર ફ્રેન્ડ પછી કશું નહોતું વડવાડા કરી.
So, after filing of this petition, also 3 times another notices were issued.
કીધા પછી કે પ્રોબ્લેમ થયો
સાહેબ નથી તો પણ
મંડે કે ટ્યુઝડે મતલબ હું અભિજની ગેરહાજરી તો નાખો છે એટલા માટે.
Lordship, I may be protected. પછી ભાઈ ભલે સાહેબ ગમે તે ડેટ આપો સાહેબ કોઈ વાંધો નથી. સાહેબ since when
લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ earlier કોર્ટે કીધું ને
At the request of learned DPP.
Lordship,
Where is it?
આવે છે હમણાં આવ્યું.
Sixth.
ના તો છે 6 કે 7 જેને કે માઇલ અને 7
Sixth. Seventh or sixth? Sixth or seventh?
Lordship, 6th.
Sixth. 98. Now, who is
May I make one request? I'm seeking certain circulation for one matter for first or second, whichever convenient to my lord. This matter is regarding the caution matter. Sir, the issue
When
is.
it is filed?
I have filed it. I'm just awaiting the number. That's why I have not mentioned in the morning and in second half. It's filed today, Lordship.
Sorry.
Number has been given. Sir, I'm just awaiting for the number. I'm not saying tomorrow, Lordship. First or
Sorry,
second.
sir, what is urgency?
Sir, urgency is this, why? This is a land dispute. The landowner has sold the land to A. From
Sorry,
A,
sir.
I have purchased, sir. Then I have.
Sorry, sir. What is already finalized now for 2 days, 3 days?
I'm just requesting first or second, whichever convenient to my lord. I'm not saying tomorrow itself, sir. First, second, whatever convenient to my lord. It is filed, sir. I'm just awaiting the number. Otherwise, I would have mentioned in the lunch break.
What all is stated? Yes.
There is 23 miler today about miler.
Yes.
The miler has already issued rule miler kept on 27th miler. Miler may finally declare what week for 1 week some 14, 15 miler. Here miler he is 22 years old. He completed debt technical completed miler he
But
declared.
after charge sheet, it is very difficult, sir. For the regular court is also it is.
He is also he is by hand by 4 months miler.
Order is also. કઈ ગયા છે ને? Order is also typed and even signed also. Sorry, sir, but order is also signed. See, orders are also signed. Sorry, sir, orders are signed.
May I just request for Friday, sir?
Sorry,
if it's
sir.
convenient.
Sorry, ma'am. It's not
Matter has been filed, sir.
What is
Office objection, everything is removed.
Yes, next. બોલો બેન.
અમારે 5 તારીખે સ્કૂલ ખુલી જાય છે ને એટલે અમારો નંબર છે તો અમારે
થઈ ગયું
તારીખ
ને?
જોઈશે
આવી જ જશે ને તો દાખલ
તારીખ જોઈએ
આવી જ જશે બેન તમારી.
આવી જશે હા આ નંબર દેવા
દાખલ થઈ જશે આવી જ જશે.
આજે થઈ ગઈ દાખલ આ
50 મેટર પેન્ડિંગ છે, બધી 2 દિવસમાં લિસ્ટ થઈ જશે. કશું પેન્ડિંગ નથી.
આ નંબર દેવાની જરૂર નથી
બધું પેન્ડિંગ થઈ જશે. You will verify. Yes. Yes.
Whenever Lordship power is convenient. Yes, we are coming.
सो हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? बस एक बार मेरे को पहले ये बता दीजिए कि जो ऑडियो वीडियो है वो एकदम सही से आ रहा है, तो फिर हम शुरू करेंगे। ओके, सो आज का जो हमारा मैराथन सेशन रहेगा उसमें मैं 2011 से लेकर 2020 तक के क्वेश्चंस को सारे अटेम्प्ट करने की कोशिश करूंगा। आपको साथ साथ ये भी दिखाते चलूंगा कि किस तरह से हम क्वेश्चंस को देख सकते हैं कि पेपर में ना जाके डरना नहीं